Teachdem is a family man working for his children. Teachdem is a family man working all those things right. Teachdem is a family man working for his children. Teachdem is a family man working all those things right. Yeah man, this is EVERTON Blender and it's all about Teachdem. You don't know, yeah man, let me not tell a man, EVERTON Blender say up, Teachdem.
I am here vibing with one of the golden voices of Jamaica's entertainment industry. His parents named him Everton Dennis Williams, but we know him as
EVERTON Blender. Bing bing.
Father Blender.
Blessed Lord.
Give thanks to the brother. It's an honor. It's a joy.
It's a joy. A long time I wait for that.
A long time.
Long time we wait for that view, yeah.
Not before the time still.
Not before the time.
It's a joy to see the man.
Yeah,
We know you're there in the circumstances where you know one of the happiest circumstances, but a joy works same way, though.
You know, if we make it happen, you know, we can't stress out, you know.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense.
Teach them, blend them under roots and culture. 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 You hear that? Teach them and blend them under roots and culture. Yeah, man, let me not tell them, man. I teach them, yes, I. Blessed love.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
So Father Blender, you say all is well, sir?
All is good, man. Couldn't be better. We give thanks for life. All, you know, the greatest thing on earth is life.
Life are the greatest.
The curious man around down money and them things. If you don't have life, you can't earn money.
Yes.
So we have to call up on the life first.
Yes. As a Williams man, big up yourself too, brother.
Yes.
As a November man, big up yourself too.
What? That's how I feel that energy.
You feel the energy, yeah man. You know what I think about. Talk to us though, Father Blender. Early life, place of birth.
Well, right now, I was born in Race Course, Clarendon. Just a couple miles down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we leave Clarendon, we go to, I went to Water Lane. Water Lane, close by Race Course.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, and then from there I went to Kingston. We for like from 1 year and 6 months.
Young.
Yeah, young. So you have to say Mr. Kingston.
He's a Kingston, yeah.
I could have said Kingston and said, but me nah down
Clarendon, yeah.
Clarendon, the only Dan parish we spell D-O-N, Dan. So we respect and things. So most of my time grew up, you know.
Kingston. Where in Kingston though?
Like Maxwell Avenue, Walton Park Road, Tower Hill, Waterhouse, Fletcher's Land.
So you grew up at so much place to Blender?
Tivoli, Jungle. Well, when we are youth, I grow, you don't know, here and there. I grew up with my grandmother.
Oh, okay.
I can know myself when I was going to school in Waterhouse. I think Waterhouse or Tower. I think it's Waterhouse.
Waterhouse.
Yeah, where you have White Lane, Tower and Ashoka Road, Varma Road.
I'm not sure still.
Yeah,
so.
right out by Spanish Town Road where you have Johnny Walker Block.
Oh, okay.
Out that side. So I was going to a private school.
Basic school.
Basic school.
Yeah, basic school.
Sorry about that, Papa.
Everything good, man. Everything good.
Basic was a youth, you know, we grew up in Waterhouse, Tower Hill, you know, and a lot of places, you know, Fletcher's Land. We grew up most in the Garrison area.
Yes.
Yeah, because my grandmother, she was living in Tower Hill. And when I go to school, boy, not tell her. Chris, when I go to school, but
Chris.
when I come home,
Rough.
when we come home, we have to make sure take off the pretty clothes and put on some other clothes where them say Joseph coat have many colors.
Yeah.
Well, my pants bottom beat Joseph coat have many colors. Cause my grandmother, anyway, she get the color them from.
To stitch them in.
You know, but them days it was nice. You know?
Yes.
Yeah,
What was it like? Well, so after basic school, where else did you attend school?
Well, no. After we leave that school, we went to, as a little youth, because we can remember, you know, from 6, 7 going up. We went to Union Garden.
Union Garden.
Yeah, Union Garden.
That was all age or primary?
No, Union Garden.
Still early childhood?
Still early childhood.
Oh, okay.
You know, and then from there we went to Greenwich Town.
Primary.
And then we go to Greenwich Town. You have like a private school by Greenwich Town. You have
okay.
You have the primary, I will leave for the primary to go to secondary.
Secondary.
The secondary was His Majesty Selassie High
Oh,
School there at,
okay. Haile Selassie.
Yeah, Haile Selassie. 'Cause it was supposed to be a college, you know.
Yes?
Yeah, man, it's supposed to be a college, but you know the thing go. That thing if you talk it on your something.
Talk
But
it,
them,
man.
Them grab up the whole of the money and just build a normal little school.
So it was supposed to, Haile Selassie High School was supposed to be a
School.
college.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a college, big school where youth and youth come. But we never stayed there that long.
Okay.
Because back in the days when, you know, my people never have no money like that. We come from rich family, you know, because Williams' name, you know. We're family rich, but
Where I come from Williams, so
some of the people, some of the family, them not really, if you don't have anything, them not really check for you.
yeah.
You know, them always say, boy, you have to go live for yourself.
Self. Oh.
Yeah, but
Why could that catch me?
But otherwise from that, you know, growing up, you know, we grew up all around in the garrison, area.
So why were you moving around so much to Everton?
Well, you want no. As a little youth, we used to love music.
From them time?
Yeah, from them time. So anyway, the music I play.
To find it.
Yeah, man, sometimes I get a lockout. Sometimes I have to sleep on the toilet. I have to take time, walk the gate. At them times I never used to have lock.
Right.
I have to lock the gate. So when time I reach the gate, I just take time, release the chain, you know, and take time, walk my time, come in and go sleep on the toilet. Where you come from? And get some conk in them head. Because I used to do, you know.
Yeah, skunk.
Yeah.
You see, you grew up with grandma, right? So
Yeah.
where was mommy and daddy in all of this store?
Well, you what now? My father was sick and he died at an early age.
Oh.
He died when I was about 11, 12. So we never really get that time to really flex.
Spend with
him,
your father.
Spend with him, you know? Yeah, because I can remember when he died, I can remember his eyes open for about 5 days.
After he died?
Yes. And it's like, and no cure them close the eyes. The eyes
Still
just,
open.
yes. So them say, oh, this man I want to see. You know, say this man I want to see someone. And them say, you know, say, good, I'm son. Yeah, man. So them carry me go in at the them call it dead house.
Dead house.
And from the man, from I go there and say, Daddy, I'm start cry. The man, I just close, man. Yeah, man. See it, so I tell you that I said, go for the youth car.
Yeah.
I was in the country.
Oh, okay.
Spending holiday with mom. You know, when mom was coming, because my mother was a woman where she sell her fried dumpling and fritters, and she sell the best ginger beer and fried fish in the cane field.
Oh, okay.
So when the cane man them done work, them Mama G, you know, and come to Mama G. So the last time, I can't forget, I go link Mama G. I go link Mama G face long. I say, well, Mama, well, them no pay me, you know. Them take my food and take fence. I feel a way when Mama say like, I know, say when I go a country, when I go back to town now, I not go get no money.
Right.
But that was great, you know, so everything went okay.
Yeah.
The next
You
week,
get the thing.
yeah, next week, Mama go back to work and everybody bring their money come.
Nice,
The
nice.
mother G no feel no way, no with that little
Mommy is
problem.
still around?
No.
She passed on too?
Passed off at about 87.
87. A long time that man.
Yeah, man, and my dad. my
Condolences
dad,
again.
He died at 36.
36. Young man.
Young man, let me not tell you, man. Father, young man. Just like the people them say him look just like me.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking
36.
Yeah,
Whoa.
man. Not tell you, man. And he's a man that wear pure white shirt him wear, you know. Clean, you know.
Clean.
Girls them rush him, you know. That's why him and the girls.
Speaking about girls, they rush. How many brothers and sisters you have?
You want no? I tell you, my father, just 2 of us, you know.
2?
Yes,
Okay.
him never that wild. He never want.
But the girl, they love him still.
Yeah, but the girls, they love him still. And tell you, say, well, I miss my family so much.
Your other sibling is still alive?
But yeah, one of my brothers is alive.
Oh, okay,
I have
okay.
one brother, one sister.
Oh, okay.
The one sister that I have
Passed on?
passed on. So I only have one brother now.
Wish him long life and
Yes, wish him
prosperity,
long
brother,
life and
because I know it
prosperity,
go.
Yeah, man.
So you say now, the music, and you said growing up, you did okay?
Yeah, man.
Food was on the table?
Yeah, man.
It wasn't a rough type thing?
No, well, me not tell no lie. It wasn't car right now we go with knife and fork. from my 3-4, me I use
Knife and fork.
Yeah, them put me on pillar. I can't forget them days. Them put me on pillar for me reach up to the table.
Yeah.
You know, so since we up on our own now, that's where we start feel pressure.
Yeah.
You know, when my grandmother,
So you would have started feeling pressure?
yeah, when my grandmother was alive, she hustled You know, because she used to work with people, because she could cook.
Okay.
And my auntie, so she could cook too. That's why every time I cook, people say, boy, blender,
Problem.
yeah man, East Kelly. Well, the sweetest fried dumpling people ever eat is EVERTON Blender
Yeah?
fry it. Yeah, you know, so I get my rating. So
Okay.
enough time, you know, we keep all we dance and them thing there.
Yeah, run off the kitchen.
Yeah, run the kitchen, man.
Yeah?
I go to everything, man. I don't have a taste of pot, man. I know how much salt we put in it and then we thing there. First thing when the man them eat it, the man them say, the food gone!
Food gone.
Yes, and for the man them say, the food gone.
Gone.
I notice my left man for cook food now, I notice all half pot of curry goat I left. Food selling about.
Nah, sell out.
No, when me I cook them
Does
thing,
it
them
pot
man
safe?
say, I chat about what does the pot safe, man.
You said you love the music from early,
Yeah,
Father
from early.
Blender. And when you realize you have a little musical itch the way you need to scratch though?
Well, right now, you know, I tell you the truth, I sing from 6 years of age. you know.
6.
Yeah, I go to the little local school, we call it
Basic school.
Basic school. You know, so we used to sing a song, say, better get ready, come do rock steady, wow, wow. You got to do it. And the crowd used to gather around and mash up the place. There's only one little singer who used to give me trouble. And his, I don't know if it's the color, but his name was Jimmy Tucker.
Jimmy Tucker.
I think it's not Junior Tucker.
And a Junior Tucker. Oh, okay.
It's the latest one, right?
Right.
Yeah, Jimmy Tucker.
Jimmy
he was
Tucker.
going to that same school.
Oh, okay. You used to get a look around.
Yes, him
brown.
Yeah, him brown. And him have look more experience.
Oh, and have a look more experience.
Yeah, but me just have the vice, can't
Yeah.
Then it used to sing
From then time there?
Yeah, from them time there, you know? Yeah. So then we have a teacher, name is Anglin. And some used to sing like how you hear me sing like
Right, okay.
Used to sing the song like, me coffee, me coffee. I kind of always take a bit now.
Yeah.
But me coffee, me coffee, me coffee, me coffee. All I want me coffee in the morning. You know, I'll 25 away. And my voice I shoot.
Up there.
Yeah. And sometimes, you know, you have some man drop out and come in. You know, and he's an old man now who often punish hard, but I always love my coffee in the morning. Me coffee, me coffee, me coffee, me coffee. All I want me coffee in the morning. Up of them takes we see them some high note and pitch. So when I see my teacher, I say, hey, well, you can sing. I say, yeah, man. I say, sing let me hear. I sing a song. Said, what about the eye that never been told? The man say, you lost your voice, man. You know, man, I wanted that man, and people rate me so. But just to that kind of choir pitch there.
Yeah.
You know, so my auntie, my auntie them could sing.
Oh, your aunt could sing.
Yeah, man, sure them could sing. Even Freddie McGregor come from some of my family breed, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think them say me and Freddie are family too, and you have a next one name, name again, he's in the Clarendonians.
Yeah, because Clarendonians Freddie did it too.
Yeah, one of them in the Clarendonians. His name is, his name again, man, but not tell us, man, him could have sing. But my auntie, when my grandmother died, I tell her, my auntie come, I mean, I have to show off and boast. I'll tell lie to teach them. She want the message to reach them,
yeah.
we have to talk the truth.
Yeah.
When my grandmother died, I would go to the Catholic church. We went to a Catholic church named St. Peter's Clever off Walton Park Road. About 599 people, a whole heap of people, nearly 600 people in the church. And when the people them start, when my 20 them start, sing, everybody stop. 598 stop.
Yeah.
And as she won, and the father have to come up and hold the mic and say, come on, sing with her. When we all sing with her, it sounds more beautiful. You can't leave the pressure on her. Come on, sing with her. When she alone singing, you know, you leave the pressure on her. Yeah, man. So we have come from a singing breed. Morgan's heritage and them father family.
Yeah?
And, you know, yeah, man. So,
then right?
Yeah, so it's that thing going in the blood. So when I sing as a little youth, they must say, well, where you get this sing from? They say, auntie, yeah, but no, your auntie can't sing. They used to call my auntie Miriam Makiba.
Miriam Makiba.
Yeah, because she used to have that deep, them kind of style there. So we love the music.
From early, it's in the blood?
Yeah, man, from early, it's in the blood, man. When my youth are sing on the road and them things, they're like youth growing up, like probably 12, 13, 14, people used to say, call me walking radio.
Walking radio.
Sealer, yeah.
Sealer.
Yeah, man, people used to call me walking radio, man. If I'm gonna ask him, say, what do you just sing like radio there? So them used to
So then
ask.
you used to ask you.
Yeah, man.
Who were some of your early musical influences though? Some of the people them where you listen and say, yo, you know, one day I like to be like this man, yeah?
Well, you want now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Back in the days, them used to play pure, mostly foreign song.
Oh.
So we used to listen to songs like Al Green,
All green.
Brooke Benton, Trouble Checker, when one name, and we used to have what the blind one the name?
Ray Charles.
Ray Charles, and used to have Nat King Cole.
I think,
And you know, we used to listen to songs like that's the sound of the men working on the train, gang. But growing up now and start to realize yourself and realize other people and thing and watching getting to know wrong from right and stuff. We used to listen to like a singer named Michael Prophet.
Michael Prophet.
We used to listen to singer like Linval Thompson. We used to listen to singer like that is before like Dennis Brown.
Okay.
You know, and then you know you have Ken Booth, Alton Ellis, and all these brethren, you know. But we used to love the hardcore. When we go dance, we love to hear the hardcore. We don't like to hear the radio music with them tape on radio. As a little youth growing up.
Naturally.
Yeah, we grew up with that different. We grew up with that different vibes from other youths. We're not really in the hype.
Right.
If we don't have no money, we just go buy a pound of flour and cook it with some butter. That's how we used to roll. You know, we never used to make any problem.
Before we continue with the musical aspect, you mentioned places like Fletcher's Land and Maxfield Avenue and all of them places at Tivoli.
Yeah.
From them time, the violence of them places, they kind of on the left. How difficult was it not to get involved in that though?
Right.
Or did you get involved?
No, sir. Right, I know that's why me go to country back in the last half day, about 1985. Me go to country because the man them start bring some machine and I tell me say my one. Them time them used to make straw hat, basket and table mat. Me make some table mat for you put on your table, man. Right now I can't make it, man.
Nice.
You look for me and say, why EVERTON? So you stay? Yeah, man, out of the straw, the coconut bowl.
Right.
And we used to go to the market and buy the white straw and blend it in with it. But I tell you, it's rough, man. It's rough because back in the days when you find yourself, you're hungry and grandma don't have anything, sometimes she don't have anything, and you have to fight it. You know, sometimes we have to go up with our auntie. Our auntie, we, you know, look about food and thing, and she carry it closer to her. My grandmother, and that is her mom.
Yes.
Yes, and she carry us more closer to her. So she can give us food and, you know.
So you never get caught up in the foolishness, so to speak?
No, never get caught up in
But you saw it around there?
Yeah, man. So I feel just left and go to country, so come
you come back home?
Yeah. And my mother, I love my mother, but she used to cuss me because one time I smoked the weed.
So from early about it, man?
Yeah, man, we used to smoke the weed and drink off our sugar. Mama come and say, the boy come from town, come drink off the sugar, boy, make some sugar water. I know nothing there, boy, burning ganja, we don't go back at town.
Yeah.
And as I say, Mama, no worry yourself, man. One day, Mama, will give back them sugar, them, man. Say a word, Mama. You know, and it come to pass.
Come to pass.
Yeah.
Come to pass. You said, back in Kingston now, you were going to the dances.
Yeah.
Or listen something. Yeah. How now did doing that help you to bring out your musical talent too?
Well, you want now. When we used to listen like Emperor Lord Fate and like Papa Roots, Tubbies. So when you go there now, you get to watch the DJs and the singers. So that when you're watching the DJ and the singers now, that feelings, it come like nature, you know. Like how you see the breeze are blue and sometimes it come in with lyrics, you know. Sometimes you see the breeze are blue, you might not know lyrics are telling me words, you know.
Yeah.
What to say. So it helped me gain my confidence. When we look and say I'm up there and a DJ and a singer and say, oh, one day, now go.
One day.
Yeah. So, you know, although we used to get a lot of lockout, you know, grandma, man, used to lock down. But they used to love me, you know, but they don't know me there because there's music, you know, so. It used to rough a little in the music, but it helped me a lot.
Early out, it was rough.
It was rough, yeah, because all of the big stars, them, nobody now pay attention to you and thing, you know. So all them slur we see me have a sufferation slur, you know.
Sufferation slur.
Yeah, sufferation slur. A sufferation, give me them slur there. When the hungry bite, you know. Bing, you know? Yeah. Yeah, so I saw the thing go. So it helped me on a level, and then now growing up now, I see you have a bridge and you have a sound now. I don't remember the name. I think it's Herman Hi-Fi.
Okay.
That nobody don't know them the sound. So.
That was him kick, sir.
Yeah. So I played.
Yeah, played.
Yeah, so them time they used when they play the rhythm, them time the Dennis Brown you have a song named No Man is an Island. Yeah, and then you have a next song where we say them song that grow me. Everyone is talking about, I can hear their faces, only on the shadow of my. Them kind of tune them used to listen to. Tunes and them things.
So you were a selector. You started out as a selector.
Yeah,
nice.
Selector. So
Yeah.
started to sing on the mic. Someone started getting a little confident, and a man, someone said, well, you can't sing, you know. But mostly cover version.
Cover, right.
Yeah, and then now, you have a next sound come now. Hear me now and say, why you come sing for my song? Someone they dance sing for the song.
Which sound was that?
You know, I don't remember the name.
You don't remember the name?
It was no name.
No big sound, so.
Yeah.
A big
but
name,
so.
so.
The era, but he was bigger than Herman.
Herman, yeah. So I move here, I move
yes,
up.
I move up. So, you know, sing, and everybody said, well, you never know, so you can sing. Yeah, man. And then from there, you know, when people start to hear about me, and then a song named Aqua.
Aqua.
Yeah, Aqua, hear me, and want to come sing for them.
Mm.
Yeah, I just go check Aqua, man, and start sing some cover version and thing, you know, like Dennis Brown. If you want my loving, if you want my true loving, you know, so them kind of tune. Like one time, we have a little voice like Dennis.
Yes, well, they sing it look while. You sound like Dennis. You know, so yeah.
From there, and you know, start move up. Used to sing on a song there, Mr. B.
Mr. B.
Yeah, he used to have a club out by Maxwell Avenue, I think it's Russell Road or Linda's Road.
Oh, okay.
The girls, something like that. Girls or something like that.
In front of girls in there, good club.
You know, so from there, you know, growing up and things. So when the little loose thing I come now, the man them put one big broad thing, you know, say it name Mac 11, you know. Big broad thing cross my lap, you know, them time I stitch, you know. Man say, my word, I say, nah, man. It's enough for me, so I'm going to take it off and go put it down on the veranda rail. Country!
Take for yourself.
Yeah, man, what? Them things enough for me, man. Because I used to tell me grew up amongst elder people, and Rasta man, them used to grow amongst Rasta.
So a long time you hold a conscious meditation there.
Yeah. Because when we go and dance and we hear like a piano song, we go on and we yard.
Take for yourself.
Yeah, as a little youth I grew up, so that's why them give me the name Bubba.
Bubba Rowe.
Yeah, shouting from Bubba Road to Bubba, because Bubba means, you never know a man, let me know. Bubba means fighting for liberation for the poor people, for people. That's Bubba.
Who gave it the name first though?
Boy, I tell you the man, them did have a youth named Everton, you know, and them used to call him Bubba, but he never had a whole no other. So like police kill him, and never had a whole no other. So the man them say, Everton, you're the real Bubba. You are all the other, because I like a youth, I grew up, you know. Because I can remember one time, Ghana man, see my sister, I love my sister. Because she's pretty, you know, my sister, nice looking, you know. Yeah, man, I tell her, man. And she said, the man will look at me and tell me, say, oh, bring your sister come, you know, tell her.
Yeah?
Say, Bridget, you love my sister. And you go look at her, man. So them used to say my face thing.
Yeah.
You know, because Mr. Man used to get enough kicking our body, you know.
Yeah?
Go shop, boy. I said, go shop yourself, man. Tired for good for you, man. What happened? You can't go too. Yeah, man. So we used to get enough.
Man, used to rough you up.
The man used to rough me up, man, till when I reach number 15 now, 16 now, I have to stand up and tell a man, say, I want to you. The man just call me one side and say, well, I boy talk to you, man. Just tell him something in my life, man. I'm going to tell him something, you know the word. Just tell him something. We say, I'm going to tell him again, because I get tough now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm tired of the beating. Yeah, man, them used to deal with me bad, man. Yeah, man, them used to deal with me bad.
So you left town, come back Clarendon.
Yeah.
Which year, you remember the year though? Or how old were you at the time?
Well, when we leave town, I was about 2021.
21, okay.
21,
So how you leave the music, come back home and the music you want, Everton, man?
Well, you want now. I never really wanted the gun thing. Because you know, say music is a thing where it travel a lot and it travel with many different things. Music travel with red, gold and green. Music travel with bad word. Music travel with gun. All things we can, all manner of evil. Good
Music
things,
and
yeah.
bad things.
And bad things. So the music now, when we get to find out now, say enough for the man them. When they even have the mic in the hand, the man will come grab it out and, oh, you boy!
Oh.
And them like a thing there. So, you know, we just say, you know, me I go to country, go chill out for a while. And a Jah just send me go to country. So, and then you go know myself.
And there you come home, come find yourself.
Yeah, come find myself. Because I can remember when we go climbing in 1985, I come outside in the night about 12 o'clock and I say, Jah, whosoever you want to be, whether them want to call you Jesus, God, Jah, whatever, I just want you to show me what I'm supposed to be in life. You know? Who to praise or what I'm supposed to do in life. I want you to give me a vision, Jah, to show me the right way. I'm there and every night I go on my bed, I want to feel the vibes. Or I get the vision. Every night I go on my bed, I want to get the vision. But I can't get the vision, so I'm there and not forced to get the vision and can't get the vision. So till it just come out of me. I just forget about vision. And then one night my vision said I stand up in my mother's house and my locks touch the earth, touch our floor. Yeah. I said, wow, what vision is that? I say, Rasta. Yeah, so so comes me becomes Rasta. Because I like say me follow people and becomes Rasta. It's the Almighty give me that vision. Because I can remember when I was 14 years of age, when His Majesty come to Jamaica, 1966. I was supposed to be about 13, going to 14. Yeah, and His Majesty come talk to me. Because I was rude. I was watching my cousin and his girlfriend. And then they come catch me and beat. Yeah. And she said, you now go. And beat me and said, me now go look for the king. So me never get to go for the king. I'm a ball all day, man. When me say my ball all day. Yeah, man, and the king come visit me, man. That's why I know say enough people don't know about the king. So sometimes you say His Majesty Emperor Haile King Selassie, they must say him dead and them thing. But enough people don't know the vibes, they don't have that energy, they don't have that spiritual level there, they never get it, they're not bound with it. It's an inborn concept. So right now when we look on it now and see the Almighty come tell me, say, they're going to say me dead, you know. They're going to put me in a comic strip. Say me dead, I'm telling you about back in the day, they used to have comic strip. And them say, they're going to put me in a comic strip. They're going to diss me the most way, but I write this on the table of your heart. So every one of the choosing one them where I live certain way, His Majesty write it on the table of them heart. So sometimes a man see and them say, oh, madman, great madman, and them could tell you because them always have way as madman.
Yeah, as bad way.
But when him look and see say, the same madman we used to wear rubber tire slippers, because me put myself in that category too. Same Rastaman we used to wear the rubber tire, used to make tire, you know the rubber tire them, cut it and make the slippers and a push and cart. It's the same Rastaman come be today where him have a 3-story building and them bulldog, them a and them Benz Park, Babylon mouth a chum frat. You see me I say? So,
come on.
Yeah man, I saw the thing go on. When them look and see the Rastaman have 3-story building gone up and them bulldog them look away them and Benz Park up man, Babylon mouth chum frat man, cause them and say, what? So them a move now, so that's why I say them do any little thing for try. For down press way. If them see I sell sweetie and the sweetie I make you buy a bike, them want to come run off the road and say, you know, and try to make things hard for you. So that's why I say me choose the righteousness part of the music. To sing how to make the people them uplift themselves and how to make the people. Because I can't sing about go shoot one another, take up the gun and them make things. No. And I couldn't far amongst too much rich people neither. Because if I par amongst too much rich people, I go sing about rice and peas and chicken and oxtail and champagne. I not got nothing to sing about because amongst the rich we have it already. So I have to amongst the poor people where we get vibes from and message. So the music from there, you know, we just go through one thing and trust me, it's rough, but you know, I can remember after getting big, like 25, 26, going to 27. Because when I was 39, I get my first youth. 37, 38.
39, I get the first
Yeah,
youth.
that thing.
So where did I do all of that time, the blender, man?
Well, not tell you the truth, you know. Most of the girls, they never want my baby, you know.
Yeah?
And most of them, when they go to woman, them get pregnant. Them go zoom.
So why them never want to carry you?
Me don't know.
Yeah?
I don't know. Enough girls, them want baby, you know. Yeah, because I never sang when I want to work on, but enough man I say, right, no, me I say it's slack. And enough people say, no, Blender, it's not slack, Rasta, good tune. You know, yeah. I just have it to sit down pan, so I say,
Yeah.
no.
That's something I have to do with about pregnant and something.
Yeah. You know, some I say, no, woman, them want to make love, but they don't want to get pregnant. You know.
Nothing wrong with the song, man.
You know, but never need like a party night.
Well, I kind of,
Yeah, you know, I'm not telling you, time I'm done, I'm tell you.
Yeah, but tell you
But man, I tell me, say, nothing like that, Blender. Nothing like that, you know. Nothing like that.
So what you know father Blender? When you forward back in a Clarendon you know still, Zane, you see you discover yourself and things.
Yeah.
But how now did the music journey continue out of that though?
Well, right now...
Were you still trying to do the music when
Yeah.
you... Okay.
Yeah, man, because when we come country, you know, them have a sound name, Sir Admiral.
Sir
And we
Admiral.
have One sound name, and the same sound changed his name to Master Vice.
Master Voice.
Yeah, and he used to have a sound name, Santex.
Santex.
Yeah, down by Race Course. So we used to sing, you know, and the sound and people start discover Everton, you know. Because I can remember one time gone, we went to Santex dance and this little brethren now, he's a singer. So him hype, you know. So him come now and every man I say, oh, you think you can sing like me singer? And he say, oh, him, yeah, can't sing like me. And yeah. So we did it one night, and we are freelance, you know. But him can't freelance, so we just have freelance. But for my freelancing, we have a lot of songs where they have freelancing upon some rhythm. I'm not telling you, Papa, when we start singing, the man ride, you know, same soon coming and ride, go for some 45, you know, where I'm doing, you know, because
Yeah.
I'm doing 45.
You don't do 45 yet.
Come back with him 45, every time him drop a 45, I say, all right, Booba, your time. I'm like, about 6:45 him bring come.
And you rub them out.
The man start crying. Yeah, man, ooh, you know, say him bigger than me, and him can sing more than me. We put up against him, and very. Them time, the song when me kill him with, you know, one song name. Oh, listen, people, listen, I am going to sing you a song about a man who live good, but never live too long. Bob Marley, but yeah, I tell him about the whole night play smash up, man. Back in the days when they used to have a sound named Stereo Mars.
Stereo Mars.
Yeah.
You were on Stereo Mars?
Yeah, no, we used to sing for a couple of times.
Okay.
Skengdan and
Right.
Skengdan it for come meet me and thing, but Skengdan never did come that time. Because I know Skengdan is a man. When a man says Skengdan, I come. Skengdan always come when you nah look.
Yeah.
Say back up, you know them man they with them vibes there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so I go up the man and Nicodemus there, the man and all of them, man, and I tell them, I don't have my 45 yet, I go to Nicodemus and the man say, yo, you ready? He said, yeah, man.
Demus also that?
No, man, one of my
Oh,
brothers can't
okay.
go there.
Yeah.
I must say, Dan, you know, the Dan, they don't want to see me, so when I go there, the Dan never come, so he said, when you're ready to go up there, you know, I ask Nicodemus in the mic, so I see the little sharp man and say, sharp man, I love peace, I read him, you know. Who you? Sometimes we never used to sing as Everton Blender, we used to sing as Everton Williams.
Oh, you were working with your current name?
Yeah. So him say, Everton Williams. We never hear that name yet. Where you come from? We just walk left him. Because he's a face the youth. So we just walk left him and go stand up beside the brethren. And say, what happened? Tell him about ask so much Christian brethren. About ask me about women name, where that they come from, and them know me. And the man just walk go up there, you know, just put Nicodemus back way and just go up on him shoulder. Nicodemus look on the man just say. So, where I say we out, some year I read him, just stand up with him and tell me I read him. And the Papa Nina na, Papa Nina na, Papa Nina na, yeah. So I say, oh, listen, people, listen. Man, remember me tell you, teach them. The place for good again, one mount of salute.
Gone.
What?
Salute.
All 100 Imagine, the man say, where do you think you come from? Every time I start the tune, blah, blah, blah,
Pull up again.
Yeah, so from there, so I start building my name and thing and go on some dance of country with Stereo Mars and thing and till one time now, a virgin bring a sound coming out in a Clarendon Water Lane where I was living, named Destiny.
Destiny International.
Yeah. So the man them come now and put me up on the posters because they know they not mash up the little tongue and them put me up on concert and thing, you know, sing for the Queen and them thing there. You know, a girl, she win the Queen. So them teach me some song, a girl named Darius Francis. Can't forget that girl there. Darius Francis, yeah, right, Everton. I know you can sing, but I'm going to give you a song, 2 songs to sing for the Queen. I'm going to sing a song say, look like love. You look like love, if anybody ever did. Place good again, man, 2 songs.
Yeah.
I want to say, lady, I'm your knight in shining armor. Place look good again, but much of the whole place, man. Girl pick the show, them flap me and love me, man. Them say, what that? So the virgin, the principal, him know me. So the principal keep a dance with Destiny International. And he put me on it. Sugarman that was a special guest, but Sugarman I couldn't make it. He was in England. So he said nitty gritty.
Oh, Nitty.
Yeah, so he said Nitty. And when Nitty hear my man, Nitty go back at Kingston and say, Sugar, you know what you about to say your name? Everton Blender. And the man say, yeah man, I'm my youth, that man amongst me him there now. He said, lie, word man, make me look like me now sing. Yeah, because I used to have some deep slow, you know, just like you see, a whole thing we have in the vault, you know. Enough of them, you know. Because even the slow when Nitty Gritty have said, me have a girl like she a run down the world. Me have a girl like she a run down the world. She better go on and left me. Lord, oh, come on now. I mean, no I can pay law. See, and them deep so them used to have. Tenor side, all of them, all the thing me have in the vault. That's true, I want to self-praise yourself. When I sing, tenor side, if I look for my son, who that? The man say, who that? If you want to know if you sing pan key, listen him. Yeah, man, I'll tell them, man. The man used to come and like them want bad me up.
Yes?
Yeah, man, but you used to humble. I'm not talk, I'm not all I will promote me just here, sir. Enough for the man them say, yo, you look like a killer, you know. Because I never used to laugh. Them used to call me savage.
Savage.
Ask any man if you know them run when we run a scarf, yeah, anyway. Me no laugh, just here, so. From 12 till 6, I'm going to yard. Yeah, man, when they want to scarf, man, they must say, boy, EVERTON BLENDER, boy.
It's about 12 till 6, I'm
going to yard. From 12 to 6, I saw me stay, man. Me no laugh, man. So, as we were saying, you know, about the sound now, so Destiny, the virgin keep the dance, and after Nitty Gritty and thing, and the virgin said, no, sir, now you can't sing here. So the man must write me a letter and put about $250 in it. And me there at the yard, hungry, you know, man, make me straw at, you know. I'm there at the yard, hungry. Me say hungry, and like a vibe. I say, walk out of the post office, man. Yeah, something out there for your blender. Walk out of there. Yeah, me there for a good while. Me no want to go out there now. And I'm just a vibe. Just say, yo, me there myself. Go on out to the post office. Yeah, man, I'm just get up and go to the post office. I say, you have a letter there for Everton Williams?
Yeah.
And look, me see the letter. I say, come out. So I go and pull the letter. I say, a note. I'm looking to some money. I say, what? Children, $50 at them time, I hold for money like 85, 86. So I go to a woman read the letter and that tell me, say, we are keeping a dance at Mandeville, a place near something on a Blue Mountain. Them like me come, somebody go there at the car park and wait for me. This will get the name now.
Just so you get the name.
So I go to now and reach a Mandeville and the Virgin see me and say, you never turn blender, come at you know, come there for a good while. And I say, you never turn blender, come and say, stand up for a while. And I say, yeah man, I never turn blender. I say, all right, Shabba them send me for you. Because I was selected the first one named Shabba.
Shabba, that's upon Destiny.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we go to now boom and go into the dance and thing and culture knocks.
Culture knocks.
Yeah, and we did and so when it reached about 7:30, man, and say, all right, we're going to start the ball around, man. We used to have a song on the rhythm, I said, pa 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 pa. Remember that rhythm? Pa 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 pa. We used to have a style say, oh, Phyllis is my baby mother. The other day she have my little daughter. And her name is Aisha, and I give thanks and praise to Jaja, that in her coming up she grow wiser. Remember the prophet them call Elijah, that's why I get this vibes and give her name Aisha. I shall. She's my little daughter. No, and look for the same with him. There is no sound like Destiny's sound. I know. Kicking. You chat about 1.5 for the dance like for him, man. Where get the singer you from? Where the singer you bird? Yeah, man, half hour. And culture come in with us. Take care of the place. Yeah, man, away I say, man. Even the youth there, with him little bit, when name a little Kirk.
Little Kirk.
And one next second one, the man, trim little bit. And we are chat about now, sing one day, and I must shut the piece, I'm going to feel the man, just go about to me, hand. When they look, a little Kirk grab with the mic, man, and I bum the place, man. The little I sing from early age, you know.
Time.
Yeah, man, them just put him on the body, couldn't see him, so they must get 2 beer backs. Come on, go good, yeah, man, and put him pan, man. I will not kill champion, we race champion, man. So from this on now, you know, we're coming on and thing, and we meet Garnet Silk.
Look at Bimbo.
Yeah, we used to name Bimbo. The sound Destiny are going wicked, and them time they used to have one sound name with Barry G name, What That.
What That.
Yeah, What That never want to clash, but you want to clash What That, because What That is one of the baddest sound in a Mandeville, and our sound is one of the baddest sounds same here too. So we want to clash, we see which one, but Barry G no want to take no chance. Because I know say the sound bad. Yeah, man, then I want sound from Tollgate name, the sound name from Tollgate again, man. The selector name Bala. I think you get an interview with Super Cat, Junior Cat. And let me tell you about that sound.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, see? And from there, so now, you know, we know, say, boy, this thing I get serious. So, the name Bimbo them time there, so we go so now boom, and we are sing. And Bimbo say, where the singer you come from? No man, the singer you wicked. Yes. Yeah man, when Garnet Silk hear my voice, man, Garnet Silk say, youth, where you come from? You come from Clarendon. And I say, well man, bad you know.
The man with one of the greatest voices, so your voice bad.
But you know man, the man rate me in a way, man, that's the man say, yo, man, for becomes a singer. But not for the time, people don't really thought the things how it going on. Because man might not know where we are going on. But me make Garnet Silk love for singing. Because Garnet Silk, remember, he was DJ.
DJ first.
But when Garnet Silk hear the EVERTON Blender, I sing some song. Man, I say, yo, I'm used to sing like cover version too. You know, I'm used to sing original, because I used to love original.
Yes.
You know, so me leave Destiny, because Destiny get big now, and the man them start going somewhere now. Like, you know, some hyping thing, because the owner for the sound, them start get hype, but the selector now love it. Because the selector knows how we, yeah, selector knows how we are carry the thing, but my youth, you know, used to go on somewhere like some, you know, some little show off IT title. England, man.
Oh, he was English?
Yeah, he was English. You know, so. But so boom, I left, come back to town. Like I said, boy, I come look about my career and things. So I left and come back to town.
Came back to Kingston?
Yeah, I come back to Kingston and tell them now, the baby mother pregnant with Aisha.
Aisha.
Yeah. So went to Kingston and them amongst a singer named EVERTON Green.
EVERTON.
And EVERTON Green said, whatever, for me like you, me now working, because I used to work.
What were you doing? Are you used to paint?
Yeah. You know, master painting.
Master.
Yeah, man. All of them building the way you see like all Pegasus, the outside of Pegasus.
Yeah.
Spirit, man. Them big place down the mall, down waterfront, down King Street bottom, down the mall with them called Black 1, Black 4. You know, we do the inside painting. I can remember when my baby mother go down there and showing my youths, the kids them, what and what their father have done.
Yes.
Like if I say, look around, so I see a woman. You know?
Yeah.
When I look out and see she say a lie, I don't feel no way. I just look out and I show her the little thing them, you know, and you know what your man say. Painter, because I know my name.
Right.
So painter, you remember them work I want to do? When I go and look back home, I don't see her.
Take care of herself.
Yeah, man, she missed man, she shame like dog, man, she have her friend, she tell you. So most of them places you see downtown, and I miss straight, so. I did there and, you know, go look work on EVERTON Green and say, boy, family like you, the work, you know. And Tony Rebel, ooh, boy, your voice so nice, you work, you know. Garnet Silk, same thing, boy, you never voice like you, me no work, you know. And blah, blah, blah. But before that, EVERTON Green, them did their thing, and I was just, I remember now, I rushed it too fast.
Yeah, but
I was in, there was a place I'm calling in Rome, that's in the ghetto, that's how Max 11.
Rome.
Rome, yeah, and you used to have Ken Cat. You used to have Ken Cat up
top, yeah, right.
So, it's like we used to come up a Friday night time and sing Panama song them kind of Papa Leo.
Papa Leo.
Yeah, so one weekend we have come up and we look, Bimbo, me see. So I say, who that a Bimbo? Come at him, know same name change to Garnet.
Garnet Silk.
So I say, who that a Bimbo? So I say, nah man, no Bimbo again man. Garnet Silk. I say, why everybody start to cry now? I say, what Garnet Silk that way? I'm just go up team because I'm broke. Broke and hungry. I say, well, I'm left for money give me now. And they give me $500. When I'm going to give $500.
Then time there.
Whole heap of little food. You understand? I feel good. I say, well, I said, yo, I'm a singer, you know. Come up, so come link my man. I'll tune the rebel up there too and, you know, say my go on, you know. So I go to boom, I go up there and youth and bring encourage me. I say, boy, if you stop work and wear it. But I say, when me stop work, who I go feed my youth them? Who I go buy Pampers and baby feed and them thing there. I did that. I wave my mind. Tell me, Lord, say, yeah, I'm going to stop work, you know. I'm going to boom and stop work. I said, I'm going to boom and stop work. The pressure is on. Lord, fire. Me not get no money, me hungry. I'm going to say, what is me do, Rasta? Go follow me and stop work. When me go so long, go back at the workplace, man, to get some food. The man say, what you say? I said, you know, the work. I said, you know, Everton. I mean, the things say you get big and gone a foreign man. Cause 6 months now we don't see, you know. The man said, I me get big and gone a foreign. I said, Virgin, that's 6 months we get big and gone a foreign. Man, I said, what you mean? This man all gone a foreign and not 3 months. So the man at them a deal with me, you know.
Right.
I never say nothing. I never say nothing, Rasta. I just hold the pressure. Yeah, I just hold it. I just go so boom and go back up a Pembroke car with Tony with them and Garnet see door up on the other side. I'm hungry, you know. And so when I time you have a studio name, New Name
Studio.
Yeah, and we go so boom. And we go on New Name. Now sell cigarette and ice mint and them things there. My name, yo, I'm not even talk about eat. My name Bulla and drink bag juice tell me weak. One puff of breeze blow. And me do and stop like one. We are talk about man at the concrete wall lean me up man. The way me hungry man and weak pay Bulla and bag juice. You know what I do? When me sell, me used to buy a carton of cigarette, half carton for $87. I make $30. You don't forget to them, I make $30 after I make back me $87.
Yeah.
So I just put $20 in my pocket and use $10. So that's why I have to buy bag juice and Bulla just for the $10 to serve me. For the week too. Sometimes I have to make the $10 for the week and I say I can't save just $20 alone. Sometimes I have to save $30 to bring it up. I'm there and want like a vibe say, go around Harry Joseph man, them time you have a place there.
Harry J.
Yeah, Harry J. Where you should sell some roots, you know, the flask buckle. Let me just sell it for mostly for let me sell it for a reasonable price. So I just save my money and just go there and just drink one with the oats and kind of
get that energy.
Yeah, get that energy and thing and be there. Whole heap of thing we are go through, whole heap of tribulation, whole heap of vibe, whole heap of thing we are go through. Can't, I have more than words can say that till now come from downtown one day. Now come from downtown, we used to sing for some youth down there. Them there in England now, named Apple. Apple Head. They used to sell cloth and them thing there. Go ask go with the studio name, go to Jammies, go voice some tune for the man then. And I go and done voice the tune, I voice about 9 tunes for the man then at them time there. Because them time they used to have a song where I say, But the song name, anyway, I don't remember. Probably further.
Sorry, I don't remember. Yeah, man.
You know, see, but, you know, we did there, we sing some song for the youth them and thing. And when we don't sing the song for the youth them. Now look for the youth them, now the 11:30, them, I can't find the youth them. So I say, what go on? So I see some youth out there too. About 5 youth I wait upon them. And so you know, see Apple, I say, I'm not wait upon you know. And then youth them there, they attack, and I look for Apple, when it's 12 o'clock, I can't see Apple. 1 o'clock, I can't see Apple. So the man them decide to them I walk go downtown, because I don't know where to sleep. See, because my auntie them my auntie drop out and my granny drop out. So I don't know where to sleep, so I have to go with the man them. They don't know say a bad man may I go with where supposed to dead in the next 12 hours. Or the next 10 hours the man them for dead. And me did it with the man them at the first me ever hide from police, so every light me see me hide. That you love a police hour. them car, we used to wear white shirt like how them say my father used to love wear white.
Yes.
So me love wear white and khaki. At the spiritual level, you know, the earth and thing, the khaki of the earth, see. Dump on my belly. Up, I walk again. Dump on my belly, every car line. Till we reach downtown. We reach downtown, they have a place them call it Charlene Temple.
Yeah.
In a Charlene Temple I sleep. In a Charlene Temple I sleep, bounce a bad boy, them feel somebody go so and joke me. I'm go so I wake up, you know, and look up because I'm like on a step, sit down, because them give me a piece of cardboard, sit down on and lean back. I'm go so and look, I don't see nobody and tell the place dark, you know, but people have a watch where I want
the light, the reflection.
Yeah. And 2 more asleep, and they call it now 4 o'clock, 4:30. You see, by the time I go, so if I go back down, somebody goes so really clouder. I say, no man, something not right, man. Come look home, I don't see nobody. So I say, you know, so I left this place. Come here, my people, my ancestors, them left me, you know. So I just cut, and I something to 5 and go to parade. Them time the bus them used to come a parade. Where you see the 2 statues, them there. One of them statues up the road, up King Street, and one down King Street. Them time there, I guess so the bus them used to come. So I go so now, boom, I take a sugar truck, reach back at my yard, Clarendon. So I say, no, I go check back them youth, because the man them just dash me, so after my vice to show the man them go hide. You see, when I go so boom and come off of the bus and go so walk towards the man them, and the man them see me. The man them start run, you know dead! We just turn back. And I go back a country, and the man them run me down and say, no, we sing, you can't do that, we sing, how you feel that? Everything say you're dead, Rasta, because them kill off every man. And me say, you and them did a park, and them say you and them, my man tell me say you and them go into the building, go sleep, and policeman raid and kill everything, so everything say you in there too. And I said, nah man, just make me come out man, so let's show you. Police slaughter, everything, head shot, chest shot, heart shot, all kind of shot. Remember me, I tell you, Rasta, so man, them things say me dead. You know, when we go at home and we come back up with material, because one of them sell material and them sell food. I come up back with some rice and peas. I come up back with about 4 pounds of rice, about 2 pounds of scallion, thyme, pepper, peas, coconut. The 2 of them full, so yeah, we just go to country and we just have a nice dinner, you know, on the weekend and thing. And, you know, so we come from some far things. So after that now, you know, Garnet Silk, I go downtown now and I come up. And I say, Jam, I beg your tune, you know. Yeah, man, I say, Jam, all right, sure, I rush this thing too fast. You know.
Take your time, man.
I forgot to tell about when we did motion at the younger time. Them have a show name, have a club name,
Bohemia.
Half Maxine. And me about this contest show and thing over there. So I'm going to go there and sing a song, an original song. Nice original song. Song bad.
You remember it?
No. We can't tell you.
We don't think about it, don't worry about it.
Yeah, so when we done sing, a man just called and said, yo, you see the song where you sing bad. But we don't know it. So next time when you come, sing a song where we know.
People know.
Yeah, because one boy, I never come nothing. So one youth, one little Rasta youth sing one Diana Ross song. Sing the Diana Ross song. You must shut the place. Yeah man, and him win that section there. So the next section, I go to the next section now, but it's for a while, about 3 months to cool them off. So me Dennis Brown come with this song. If you want my loving, if you want my true loving. Some just say, what? Some just go and practice it. Tell me ready. Tell me ready. I say, all right, boy, man, here I come. Go out, man. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to you on stage, EVERTON Williams. Yeah, I'm going to go down. If you want my loving, and if you want my true loving, and if you want my squeezing, if you want my hugging, tell me that you love. Tell me that you love, yeah. Who feel you out all day, yeah. I know how you feeling, day by day, yeah. Oh, please don't make me stop and wonder why. Cause there is, what I say, and there is no reason why I should cry. Why I tell you no. Good, you will play turn over here. You say I feel love that you know me say pass and gone. Let him know say pass and gone. Trinity.
Trinity
Say no comments. Yes, I eat this. I him take it. And who may I tell you when final thing come, man, the man them say, Everton Williams. You get what? $250.
$350, they love you, though.
Yeah, man, $250. I say the place mash up, man. But when we go for the final now, semi-final, the same youth beat me. We sing the Diana Ross, because the Diana Ross tune heavy. Every Diana Ross the youth sing. So you say if me didn't know, like, some of them sang there, him could manage because
they have a voice.
People say me have a vibe, but the Diana Ross song bad. And them never
Fair
really
enough.
them never really want to love Dennis Bone, because them say the song them where Dennis Bone sing a rag song, because I know them people a rag song them call it. Because you couldn't go in some people I go talk about yeah. If you want my love it, yeah, man, come on to me here with the rag song boy.
Yeah?
Yeah, so they must deal it. Yeah, you see me I said? So from there so now we go so now boom I will move on until we ended up, we might put the 6, the Mac 11, so we just got some boom country.
Cut out, okay.
Yeah, we just cut out from there.
So you say you're the tone and now, you're a big jar song.
Yeah man, so I come from downtown. Cause some used to do it, you used to walk from downtown to Red Hills Road, you know.
Which part of Red Hills Road?
Up by the corner, they say forgot Black Scarping. Sometimes Scarping nobody will say from downtown. They don't walk from give me a bit to Lionel Town, man.
Give me a bit to Lionel Town.
Yeah.
I know all of the place here, yeah, I walk walking that.
Yeah, man. I'm walk from downtown to Red Hills Road. I'm there, I walk, I come up hungry and tired. When you say hungry and tired, weak, some me a crawl, but we make it still. Weak. I'm say, Jam, I beg your song, you know. You see, say the tribulation, I don't want to go thief in a jar. You see, right now the time is rough. I'm there, I walk. You see like how the breeze the breeze just blow. And when the breeze blow, that's why I say it's nature. You have to love nature and love nature. Because if you love nature, nature love you back. And I walk and I say, yeah, I'm not here. You know just I come. Like I said, you know just I come. Long time you be under Jaja's sun. Bats and relax and I sit down, put on my lap. And I say, what? Some just go among the bridge, you know, and like a Rasta bridge. And I say, yo, you know, I'm a fine tune, I ask you after your tune. I'm a fine tune, and them say, oh, go ever. Them say, oh, go booba. And I say, nah, I start singing it now. You know? And them say to me, no, don't put in, sit down and put on your lap. Just say bats, because the new talk that at Kingston, you know, because you their country. Say, why? Some just say, you know, just a come. Long time me there under Jaja's sun. Bats and relax. Like me say, sit down and put on me relax or something like so. But him say, no, use the word bats. You know, bats and relax.
I know slang that.
Whoa. So I remember some days now when we used to walk on the gully bank. And the man them put on them gun and I say, article singer this man, a fool singer this now. So I just say, many times we flex past the bad boys gun. By the power of Jah, they never shoot I down. See the bad boys putting down their guns. Them say the article EVERTON BLENDER a come. We know just a come. Long time we there. Yeah man, I have the first verse. Pat! Come on the rest of them leak it out and things. So when we go in a Ghana City, I say, Ghana City, I find the tune, I go boss me. Ghana City say, I lie, sing with me here. I'm going to sing it Rasta. The man said, yes, Everton, you're gone. And then the brother we used to write for Ghana named Rochester. Him just come in and say, experience teacheth wisdom. A happy father is the result of a wise son. Slow to anger, quick to reason, everything under the sun. Have its season. I'm not come back in, you know, just a come. Long time we there.
Create a sound.
Yeah. I'm not sure say when we go to Boom and we go to Fatis Burrell with the tune. Fatis Burrell say I like it.
Voila, don't move. Create a sound. Well, some people say just a come.
Yeah.
Zane, because the same song. Many people probably don't realize. Zane,
yeah.
Philip Fatis Burrell say I like his song.
I like the song. And we just go so now and they on a garnet silk. We don't tell garnet silk, we just go back on a garnet silk yard. And so when Bobo man come in, you know? Man say, Bobo, wickedest producer. Ray, Bubba say. Oh, yeah,
The Bubba from Sarchiel.
Yeah, and so yeah, say Garnet, bad singer. So you're Garnet. Bad singer. See, one of the wickedest singer here, what wickeder than me, what you talk about?
Garnet told Bubba that.
Yeah, Bubba said, nah, man, you're the wickedest thing right now, Garnet. And we are chat about, man. Man just said, come. I remember a little fast that and he said, come. He said, sing for Bubba. You remember the song there? Sing over song that we usually sing for Bubba. Sing it. And this time I say, broken hearted me, hello, how thee. One, Bumble say, Bubba, you hear that? Bubba, it swell somehow when he hear the slow, man. Man said, Garnet, we the singer from Bubba. Garnet said, I'm not tell us the singer wicked, man. I'm just called Vice. We not just come for Bubba. Sometimes they bury someone. Do a song name. False preacher. On the same reading. Bury someone, rape my man. Bury someone say, boy, you can't sing, you know. You sing on the rhythm like a youth bill for. Yeah, man, I tell the man. And from this man, the song just run. The first time the song I play, when I self-pray myself, when Elise Kelly say, I have a singer here and she introduced me and said, she know her friend by the name of Darius, and he, like she said, he came to me and gave me a record and give me something that Darius said to give her. And she said, you know that I'm a singer and I'm gonna make it one day. I want you to play my song. And I said, well, it come to the time now when I'm gonna play his song. And he's go by the name of EVERTON BLENDER. Is what she put on the song. There's no lightning and thunder, man. And rain, man. Remember that tell her? She pull it up again, and lightning and thunder again.
Rain.
And she pull it up again, and lightning and thunder and rain. The last set of rain, the shower. 1, 2, the rebel come in. While our prophet gone, and the ex-prophet gone again. Yeah, man, I sung me boss, lightning and thunder.
Lightning and thunder.
So we don't come as a little pian.
You don't just come?
No.
Long time you're there.
Yeah, long time we're there. So, you know, not tell you teach them. It's a vibes when I'm from Bessemer. We don't stop.
Before we continue, we know that the name, the birth name is EVERTON Williams.
Yeah.
So we know you're sick with the EVERTON part. So the blender part come in.
Well, you want no. The man them, some people see me and tell me, say, whenever you know sing with them name, you tell them right name. You know. We don't find a singing name. So I say, find a singing name. Now I say, I know what kind of find a singing name. What kind of singing name? EVERTON Williams, I know myself as I'm not sing as EVERTON Williams. They say, no, it's the right to sing as a good name. Find a singing name. Enough man I say, EVERTON Pliers, EVERTON Screwdriver. Some of them say EVERTON Toaster. For them used to toast them, I say, no man, you better only say blender. Yeah, so I suck on the name, stuck for me.
And stick, brother, I eat that one. I fit through EVERTON
The
blender.
secret is in the blending of the music, you know. And
Deep.
yeah, I'm not sure it's a vibe teach them, because you want no, me say it's a vibe now. I go to England in 1997, and a man look at me and tell me, say, EVERTON Blender, you know, say you're king. I say, yeah man, what are we a king, man? The man say, you're the king in the music, you know. There's a king name you have. So I say, why you say that? He say, the E,
EVERTON.
make a crown. You see the B, make a crown. So if you put the B
and the E together,
it make a crown. The E make a crown to itself, and the B make a crown. So the E, the B, you just put the two of them so over one another, and there's a crown that come out. The man make me know. And the E, if you put the E so,
crown,
right round,
yeah,
is a crown.
crown.
But when we hear them things, them not really hype and show off and way blender king and them things. No. But me never know say the E and the B make the crown. So you see the name EVERTON Blender. So you see the vibes why Jam make that name. So I like say boy, we did come to a conclusion and I said, yeah, we'll give name EVERTON Blender. It was like a guessing thing.
Listen, which year Creator Sound came out?
Late 91.
Late 91. Your first song, your voice it 1979.
Yeah.
So it took decades a struggle to get to the point the Father Blender.
I tell you, man.
And you never give up.
No, sir. Never give up, man. Because the people, enough time when I sing a song, and my auntie, man, they said, boy, you can't sing, you know. We're going to go to the studio. And they you know, them all encourage me. But when we much younger, them was encouraging me. Because they might say, ooh, Boy, if you go learn trade, and she could have sing to you know.
Yes,
and
you
she
tell
tell me
me.
if you go learn
Learn
trade.
trade.
And she could have sing.
So down the years through the struggle, you never gave up.
No, sir.
You did still believe so that song there come.
We just know so that song there come, man.
And that song came.
Yeah.
What did that song do for Everton Blender?
Well, it put me up on the map, you know.
Put you up on the map.
Yeah, and it made me travel.
Okay, travel.
Yeah, it made me travel because in between, we not just a come. I used to have the song Broken Hearted Melody.
Broken Hearted Melody.
Yeah, and we sang it up again. I think I have a song named Down in the Ghetto where the Rude Boys live.
Oh,
But they-
not familiar with that one.
No, them banned that song.
They banned the song.
Yeah, them banned it because them say me not support bad man.
You remember the song?
Yeah, but yeah man, that song when I say, song I say, down in the ghetto where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. Some have a heart full of love, but nothing to give, nothing to give. They are the ones you pass on the road every day. When they try to be friendly, you said no way. Little did you know that in the future, that same ghetto you'd come turn big time. Say down in the ghetto where the rude boys live, the rude boys live. You see that one day, him say him have no ambition. Him a tell me say him a certified technician. See him friendly. Him say him doctorate. Him graduate, him get him doctorate. Those are the youths I am talking about. Non-progressive element. Me say stop run up your mouth, you know. Remember
And
the
they
rest
banned
of
that song.
Yeah, and them
Positive,
yeah,
uplifting
yeah,
song.
uplifting song. Them say me I support bad man. Just so me say down in the ghetto where the rude boys live. Some have a heart full of love, but
But
nothing
nothing to give.
They are the ones you pass on the road every day when they try to be friendly, say no way. Because them things they make the youth
And the
get
reality,
bad.
brother.
Then them things they make the youth get bad, them not show the youth them no love. When they see the youth them on the sidewalk and a beg, just spit on them. Them same one they come look on you and rob you, they mark all your face.
You this me.
Yeah, and come rob you. Shot you. So enough time a man see all certain things teach them and see some little things happen and things I just so. The man now just come kill a man so teach them. A something not telling me sound away. Probably might not all the while, you know. Sometimes
And all the while
a
still.
man might ignorant towards certain little things.
But I understand what you answer still.
Yeah.
I understand what you answer.
But no man not tell the truth. This is how me grow. If a man kill a man, I must something him do. A man rob Shoey on the corner. Shoey is a man where if it's shoe bottom I drop off, they say Shoey and you give him 50 cents. They will rob Shoey. What Shoey have? So when you rob Shoey and kill Shoey, a man know who. He might come for you. And nobody now talk a who. And we say man, back in the days, man don't like them bad boy, you know. Back in the days, man used to protect bad man. Because the bad man make sure say the area, the vicinity and so
Balance off.
Balance off and your man couldn't come in there and rob the poor people them. By the time things happen and the police will come, bad man don't kill man and gone already. And at them man they sort out certain things when police come, everything done, everything take care of. And we not support bad man. That man would never do that. Because if it wasn't for police, it would be a more worse war zone.
So true.
But at the end of the day, the youth them need help, the youth them need food, the youth them need that work, and you bring gun come give them. Then what you think about them? And the youth have food, the youth them want. When we go in the ghetto, you know, teach them. The youth them love me, you know. I go in there and name chicken back with them. I go in there and name tin mackerel with them. Remember my time I go down, they go drink juice with them. I'm not afraid. So as some me do the thing, then youth, so the youth them love me. So show them know say the people them love me, you know. Them no want me get no work. Me struggle. I'll know.
I'll know.
I'll know.
I'll know.
How we talk about teach them, man. Remember me I tell you, whole party as strong
The
me
great
strong, man.
Everton Blender.
Hey, Bridget, sometimes I feel like give up, you know, and go walk, you know. You not even know where I go and sometimes give me feel. You know why me still in it? I'll tell you why me still in it. The people them right on WhatsApp, right on the internet, right on Facebook. Everton Blender, we know what's going on, you know. We know that you get in a fight. Hey, but lift up your head and hold it up high. You're a family man and start tell me about my song them. You know just how come. Long time you hear when the judge's son, so they might tell me something just strong up and go through. And that me I do.
Create a Sound came out and as I said, many people out there know that song as Just a Come.
Just a Come,
But
yeah,
Create a
yeah,
Sound
Create a Sound.
is the right name for the
Yeah,
song.
Create a Sound,
Good.
yeah.
So that was the first song where people actually know have to accept Everton
Yeah,
Blender as a
yeah.
serious entertainer.
Yeah, man.
So those times you were in the company of Tony Rebel, Garnet still youth and green.
Yeah, man.
And Bobo, because
Yeah.
Bobo now was the head of Star Trail.
Yeah.
Star Trail was a family type setting.
Yeah, man.
Anthony B.
Yes.
Whole I man them.
Yeah, man. And
Yes, Safari one at a time.
That's Safari was in the crew.
Okay.
He was with us like me, that's Safari, Tony Rebel, Youth and Green Culture and Act. It was a Christian soldier thing, you know.
Christian soldier thing.
Yeah, I saw it in the name. Christian soldier. But everything just get changed up after a while.
It's a Star Trail was a family vibes until it started, you know?
Yeah.
Trailway.
Yeah.
After Create a Sound, which was the next song that
Creator
is Street accept.
After Creator Sound, I think is Down in the Ghetto.
Down in the Ghetto.
Yeah, that tune they bad. You know, I'm going to sing that tune they bad.
The one that they banned.
Yes. And then Family Man.
Family Man.
Yeah.
After Down in the Ghetto came Big Bad Family Man.
Yeah, man. I tell you, man, I can't forget one time gone when that song they release and them give me a show. Then give me a little youth show up at Yui.
Yes.
Come sing for the college, the youth.
For you them.
And I tell him, you have one corridor. You have one corridor long from out there so to down there so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, when Family Man start, man, I tell you, they niggle me there now. And out there so me there now. And by the time he say, babadi, 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 babada, babadabadi, I'm just coming and niggling now.
Yeah.
I am a family man, working for my children. Oh, I say, man, you youths, them get up, man.
I am a
Yeah,
family
man.
man. You know, you have to sing this song for your father, Blender.
Yeah, man. Working all those things right. I am a family man, working for my children. I am a family man, working although running's red. Down here in Babylon, running's well steep. You got to be strong to stand firm on your feet. You may sometimes lose faith and find that you get weak. Remember, Jaja promised the earth to the meek. I am a family man, working for my children. I am a family man, working although running's red. It is a sticky situation, working for the boss man. Work 5 days, only get paid for one.
Jaja.
What's going on is an explanation. The only thing I can say, robbery with aggravation.
Big song, brother.
Yeah,
Big
man.
song.
God, you work 5 days.
Rotted. Yeah.
You work 5 days. I will get paid for one.
Yes. 5 days only get paid for
Yeah,
one.
because them say $100 a day. So when the 5 days finish, you get $500. But it's not really $100 a day. It's $500 a day.
Ja.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, brother.
Yeah. You know, we know how the thing goes. So we just set the thing away where, you know, make Babylon, that's why them even no love me. Because you see, we talk the truth. That's why I see them even fight against culture. And even I come with certain things now for hold on the thing.
So
And I
that-
tell you, say, thing I can't travel and through this and through that. Yeah.
So those were two of the songs we mentioned already. A classic song there, you know, in the sense of grow on it. You understand what I mean? Create a Sound and Family Man.
Yeah.
In the history of reggae music,
Yeah.
a classic songs them there.
Yeah.
But some more big songs still not come yet.
No
What come
problem.
after that?
Well, after that, we have Bob Marley. And then, you know Bob Marley, right?
Right.
Oh, listen, people, listen. I am going to sing you a song about a man who lived good, but never lived too long. Bob Marley, but yo, see? And after that, now, coming up after late 91, 92, where and them songs that come up, get up people song. Then we slap, lift up your head.
Yeah, Get Up People song again.
Yeah.
Another classic, brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Some man of them dream for a song like Get Up People song.
Yeah,
Just
man.
the one song.
Just that one song there.
And that's what the third classic with the pan, you know.
See?
You have to sing that song,
Yeah.
still enough. Father bless.
Higher, we stepping higher. Higher, we stepping higher. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing sufferation. Oh, wow. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this. Wow. It's a song for the poor who is facing sufferation. Oh, wow. Followers of down oppression. Why you only terrorize the poor, eluding the fact they are human, who one day will not take it anymore. Boy, take it from your brother, Everton Blender. This is the time for you to get stronger. Wise up, and temper your anger. Cause it's a ghetto people song. Yeah, man. That's the thing.
Monster song.
Yeah, man, that's a man. Jano, man. Song the can't down, man.
Then lift up your head.
Then lift up your head. You know, that's another monster again. Then blend them. Then
Blend
monster
them.
again.
And the roots and
Yeah, man,
culture.
that's a man. And song they come mash up the place. Bad, you know.
They are to be sing there too. They look about to get their dance there. So at this stage now, Everton Blender not only boss, but Everton Blender was one of the go-to man in reggae, roots rap,
Yeah, man.
reggae music.
Yeah, man.
With the Anthony B's and the Sizzlers,
Yeah, man.
Bojo Banton, not them time.
Yeah, not them time. Yeah.
Big league.
Big league, man. Cause when me come out, you know, enough man say, boy, Everton Blender, boy, John, your voice, one out here. You know, sound like
Golden
no,
voice,
yeah, you know,
man.
sound like no man. Cause you have man out there we used to sound like, you know, we don't really want to call
Call a
him,
name, right.
You know, but man out there used to sound like Dennis Brown and them things. So you know, so if you come with a voice like Dennis Brown, you're gone. But if a man like me, you know, just come with an original voice, it's not normal. You know, yeah, man. Cause we're Patron out there where people don't know, where don't know and hear stuff.
Right, when I take on to the street,
Yeah,
our
man,
people
take
then not push out.
Yeah, they may push it out. I said the word through the car. Through most of the time you have to have money.
Yes.
If you pay the way the personal to them. Because I have a song right now where should I have bust up the place, man. A song where I say, don't you ever speak without a knowledge. I know every education come out of college. Words that you say might have cause a damage. If we spoil the children, how we are gonna manage? Don't you ever speak without a knowledge. I know every education come out of college. Words that you say might have cause a damage. If we spoil the children, how you are gonna manage? You are a fool to what you don't know. Think you know everything, but not no go so. Give I the facts, no need no waste chat. Show I the evidence, don't tell I no crap. Misleading the people, at time for you stop. Gonna cause a revolution, every man a go strap. Cutlass babble from front to back. By the bullets or the bullets or the gun. Blood a go run, blood a go run. So don't you ever speak. Yeah.
What the song name?
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Yeah. You know, we have some serious song with a road, man.
Yeah.
You see, we have some serious song on road.
Yeah. Before we continue with the musical journey now, I could talk a little bit about Garnet Silk.
Yeah.
You and Garnet are the brethren.
Yeah, man.
Brethren,
man. Cause right now, I tell you, say, we take a picture one day, about 5 of us. Take a picture around at his home when he was living around Pembroke. Yeah. And when the man take the picture, he was trying to blow like a trombone.
Yes.
So, while I was there, I laugh. When the man take the picture, you know who the man get the picture? The man, first thing the man say, Everton Blender, you may get that picture. Yeah. Because when anybody call up on the picture, I know you're going to have it. And I me, the man, get the picture.
You still have it?
Oh, yeah, I still have it in my album.
Take your picture and send it and put it in an interview.
All right. I'm going to do that. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, I look at that shot and I look at hat when I make.
Yeah.
And I could start out a bamboo.
Oh, yeah, beat your own hat.
Yeah, man, beat my own hat. I'm just stay so on the back. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, forward it on, man.
Yeah, man.
So where, you remember where you were when you got news that he died?
I was in the country, you know.
Oh, you was in the country. Oh, you were down here.
Yeah, I'm telling
Must have
you,
been rough, devastating.
Right now, I'm not sure if I look on Garnet, you know. I say, Garnet. I don't know, I just feel the vibe. I just say, Garnet, come go at Bing, you know. And they may have Bing at the same time down at Scott Pass. I say, come no go at Bing, man. Come down at my house and then left from my house and go Bing. But him saying they have some things to do a country. You know. So sometimes, you know, say I saw the thing, but sometimes, you know.
Jaja.
Yeah, sometimes you have to just, sometimes the spirit come to you and tell you, you know, because sometimes, you know, me tell a man something, man. A man might not know. You see, anytime anything that happen to you, Jah always give you a warning, you know. No care what a man want to say. Jah always give you a warning. I don't care what you want to call him, if you want to call him Jesus or you want to call him Buddha or whatever name. You know, I'm talking the Supreme
But you get a warning.
One. The big man will create the heaven and the earth. He always come to you and tell you something, and then now when you say if you're not dead,
yeah, I said,
you know.
if me did just listen.
If me did know.
If me did know.
I want a wicked word of your answer to you know.
If me did know.
Never met a word that catch you know.
Catch me already, man.
Oh, yeah, say, man. Not tell man, if you didn't know, man, I want a wicked word, man. My grandmother always tell me that.
Yeah. Great loss. Great
Yeah,
loss of a friend, but also great loss to the music.
To the music, man. Tell him, man.
Was on a path to become one of the greatest things to ever do the music. I mean, he's still one of, but
yeah,
you can just imagine what he could have achieved.
But I tell you, at the end of the day, because he's not reached nowhere yet.
Not true. And him still so
just
big.
in prime, you know.
Just.
Right, I know, I tell you, sir.
So, the great man gone too soon.
Gone too soon, man. I want to say, I have a song where I don't really remember the words, but like me say. Great man never live too long. 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 Marcus Garvey gone too soon. Peter Touch make you gone so soon. Jacob Miller make you gone so soon. Peter Touch make you gone so soon. Gone too soon, you gone too soon. Gone too soon, make you gone so soon. Where is the culture? I'm going to remember, but not tell me call all gone.
Yeah, they tell me.
And you know.
Gone too
There's some
soon.
serious song about the system. The system no normal. Not tell the truth, teach them. If me did know, say, I saw the music turn. I go be a painter same way, man, because I be a fifth man. Yeah, man, I be a fifth man now, they're a 4 man.
You'll be a fifth man.
I'll be a fifth man now, man. Big and a rule. Whole heap of high-rise in building and them things that have more country come sit down on my heart and say, yo, make sure you make that, yeah. There's something that there, because when me as a painter, if me not, my painting not standard, you know, come up to standard, you know, me not get no pay, you know. So I think say me can just go blah, 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 and paint and then the band will come and pay me them money.
So Father Blender, because me a listening, you know, and me I find it hard to believe say a man who has done so much in the music, a man whose catalog is so big with so many hit songs.
Yes.
Still I get a fight.
Yeah, man.
Music. A fight so big that you feel like you then go back up paint.
Let me not tell you, man. Because them not play the good. Me have some tune. Me have some song. Yo, Virgil, me have some song. One of them day, man, I will send you some song come give man, make you listen them, man. Yo, me have some serious song we should have played, all the people make it look like me not sing. Serious song. Never the album we dropped about 3 years ago. From that, me not put out nothing yet. Never have an album named Higher Heights.
Higher Heights. Familiar.
See? Yeah, man. Me tell you, the last album we do 3 years ago is named Where is the Love?
Where is the Love?
See? Yeah, man.
Lift up your head.
Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Time get in order, still we're striving for better. And we're not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stance, anyone will try to push you over. Over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up. We know that we'll win the prize. Listen. Now go bout cause the color of my skin. Now go cheat because me want to win. Now see the crown and still no know the king. Now see blessing and no blessing. Cause if you lose your stance, they'll send someone to run you over. Over. Lift up your head and hold it up We know that we'll win the blessing, man.
You know, the beauty about that song and a lot of the songs we sing already, as long as they are human beings on the face of the earth, them songs
Yeah.
they can't dead.
That's true, man. You know, say the same thing a man tell me.
Can't dead.
And not long ago, you know. Because the man, I know, say, Everton, remember me I tell him, man, the catalog stays so. And you say, right, you know, we know them are fighting, but just go and do what you do, because you're going to get your pay, you're going to get your reward. So that's them things that people tell me, make me still, I deal with it, you know. Look and lift up here. Lift up here, you should get a Grammy if you lift up here. Good song.
No good, great song.
All right. Well, man, I'm not showing the song where,
I mean, I tell you that because I sit down beside of you. I tell you a great song.
yeah, man, for real, Papa, man. I go to England, last time I go to England in 1997. I go to England 97, and the man look at me and tell me, say, Blender, and me name Blacker. We have the records, if you hear about Blacker records, and me have the biggest record shop in like I say, me have the biggest record shop in England.
England.
And them say, yo, you see your song lift up here, it's sell and stop sell and start back sell. Stop sell and start back sell. Stop sell and start back sell and never stop sell. That the man tell me, man.
You see, some man in a blender have a catalog of song, but you have a catalog of hit song.
True.
You have a catalog of classics.
Yo, trust me, man, that's some serious song on road, man. That's some serious song on road, man. Serious.
Jaja.
Yeah, but last song I say, Earth I run red, oh yeah, oh yeah. Nobody no business. The words that Marcus Garvey said. Look at nobody no business. You know I've no roof over your head. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nobody no business. Look how the youths them under fed. Look like nobody no business. Nobody no business. Them no have no loyalty. Them share the food with partiality. Who no fee no vow, and who no get no want. That's the way them say, when them want yam off all the cake. Remember cake will spoil, and no more can bake. Earth a run red. Cause them things say right now, show them a bake the cake, and them a stuff them belly. Them no say the oven can broke down. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, them know say the oven can broke down. The Almighty, let me tell you something, man. The Almighty a feed me, teach them.
Yeah.
When a man a fight me on so, just provide some things. So. But there Jamaica, you have nothing now to go on. Christmas a come on. Nothing. That's how my sister-in-law say, Everton, they know you have so much great songs and some little man of me of sure. And you know they pan on. Why go on? I said, boy, I said go mama. And then a little bit after that, I get one show in one place then called them Black Mountain, I think in California. So me get my food, I go to Black Mountain. That not show you. So when time I get my food from the Almighty, Him feed me. And the Almighty feed me. I'm glad when it's still available. So I rather know me eat small and live long.
Eat small
And live long. Yes, I.
But Sir Blender, as me say me a listener, what is the root of this yours? Because you struggle for years.
Yeah.
If you get the break. You get the break and broke with.
Yeah.
You understand? Some man would only dream to get the body at work,
True.
accumulate where you are. What is the reason why Everton Blender still I get the fight in the music down to today?
People that tell me no. You know, a man look at me and tell me, say, read between the lines. A man look at me and tell me I'm in the music industry. The man tell me, say, the man say, lucky, why you boss, you know? Check it. The man say, lucky, you boss, you know. The man, them never want nothing to go
We
after me.
create a sound. Get the people cry. Lift up your head. Family man. Blend them.
All of them tune there.
Danger in your eyes. Material girl.
You know them tune there, material brethren. Let me tell you something, man. We have some song, man, we're not till here for the day, but never that song when I say. I'll tell you a song. One song when I say. One song when I say. She's so mellow.
Sailor.
Her name is Carmelita. Tell me where she's from. Over Costa Rica. She's so mellow. Her name is Carmelita. Tell me where she's from. Over Costa Rica. I know this girl. I really love her. She's a one-away type. She's a first-class type. No number one song. Never mix from this mixing board yet. Cause she's so mellow. That's some serious time, man. Go over someone and sing them songs like California, man.
Make
crowd
it
place, pop down, man. Ball. People all look at me as some white people. Spit on me, Everton Blender. Spit on me. Spit on me. Yeah, man. But we couldn't do that.
You couldn't do that.
No, couldn't do that to a star.
Make it if you try.
Yeah, man.
Big
You
song
can
again.
make it. And the number one song of Africa, man.
Sing a song, man.
You can make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. You can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and sigh. Put your shoulders to the wheel, and your goal you will achieve. That's the way to reach the top. I know you will try your best, but if it should come to the taste, I know Jaja is there to do the race, yeah. You can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and sigh. You can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and sigh. Yeah, man, wicked.
Wicked tune, brother. Me know them tune, man.
Africa.
But we used to watch all the videos when I grew up,
Yeah,
man.
man, Africa number one.
Number one Africa.
Yeah, man. Number one.
Sir Blender, it is obvious that you feel that, well, me get the feeling that you don't think you get the love and appreciation that you deserve based on the music.
True.
That you don't
Yeah,
feel
man,
that
I
way.
don't lie. I don't lie. And we pay with Jews.
I'm paid again.
And pay it again. You might tell
I'm
you
paid
about-
for some people.
Let me tell you something, man. You see me go Africa. One day I was in Kenya. And believe you me, Jamaica people love me, you know. Don't
Yeah,
get me wrong, you know.
right.
Jamaica people love me. And the ones them who love me, wise.
Oh, wise for true.
They are not fool. No, they are not
No,
fool.
we're wise for true, man.
Yeah,
They're wise
man,
for
they are
true.
not fool. I tell you, them not fool. Them know the good kind of tune and them know good tune. Yeah, you see when we go Kenya. When we go in the one rest, them have a place like a restaurant, but big, a whole of people can sit down and eat. When we walk in and appear nice, you know. When we go to Kenya, you know, people, you can bow down to my foot and I kiss my foot, you know. And after I tell them, say, no, me youth. The man say, Blender, don't want me this, you know. Yeah, man, I do what I want to do. And the man say, I do what I want to do. Yeah, man, time say, you know, you not even know what your music them do for me. Yeah, man, so, right now, I tell you, man, Everton Blender is great, man. Dian Mattis,
Irie.
I'm have to laugh, you know. Dian Mattis, they're Iron, Dian Mattis say one something. And they know mostly the next year also, Dian Mattis, them fire
Right.
Dian Mattis. I don't know, I mean, as I say that. Dian Mattis say, we need more than one Everton Blender. Dian Mattis say, me still tilt the scale and balance it back in the favor of reggae music. Big up that, you know. Me tilt the scale and balance it back. Yeah, so we need more than one Everton Blender. We need more than one Everton Blender. So the people them say we should have two Everton Blender, but only one you can have.
Yes.
Yeah, man, the system stay away, man. The system dirty, man. The system dirty, brethren. I tell you, say, if you know some music dirty, man. Not every part, because you have good people in the music, but if you know some people, I first say the music dirty, man. You want to come in it. But it's true. I never me choose the music.
I choose
That
it.
is the thing. Thank you very much. I never me choose the music. I have to come to this. I couldn't run from it. I tell you, I couldn't
All
run
right,
from it.
choice, man.
Yeah, man. Then
Well,
right
for
choice,
me
people
still,
tell me.
yeah.
Yeah. Nah, man. People tell me, man.
Yeah.
Say, Blender, it's the right choice you make. You know that. Because I'm not sure. Say the name of me at Everton Blender is a king. You see me, I say, but the system, them take out, all right, let me show you the system. See, them take out who them want to take out and put in who them want.
That is true.
Them boots who them want for boots.
I'm park who
And
they
park
want
who
to
they
park,
want to
which is
park.
true. That is true.
You see?
But that's
Yeah, man. And give a joke. Them could have young, them could have bad, them could have way, and from them say, ladies and gentlemen, if you come on stage, Mr. Everton Blender. And me come up and say, I was born by the river in a little tent. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How you chat about man, please?
Mash up.
Mash up, man. So look, you're young and them bad. What they call my name? Me and the pickle too. And you're alone at the pickle. Not the pickle.
Yeah, pickle.
Yeah, you know, self-praise yourself, Rasta, but you don't...
You do the work, brother.
Yeah,
You
man,
do the work.
Man. You know how long me want to meet there? Show there, not even know. Yeah, man.
We do a long time we are reason bad.
Yeah, man.
Here we go on. Everton Blender not only voice, Everton Blender have also done some production work.
Yeah, man.
Blender music label.
Yeah, man.
Work with man like
Yeah, man. Work with man like...
President Brown,
Jamieson.
Lucy.
No, me
No,
not
Lucy.
Lucy.
Who else?
Papa San.
San.
Yeah, Youtan Green.
Youtan, yeah.
And Richie Spice.
Richie Spice.
Yeah, and Louis Culture.
Louis Culture too, me
Yeah.
just remember.
And this little youth before him drop out. What name? Baby Wayne.
Baby Wayne, Scalawa.
Scalawa. The things that are going good, man. The things that are going good at Europe, man. Mad at Europe, but trust me, me don't know where happened.
You don't know what happened?
No, sir. But the things just...
Because I be a top class at Louis Culture,
Yeah, man.
legend, Jamieson, bad DJ.
Reggie, me
What go on?
The things that are going good, teach them, but I don't know what teach them.
Richie Spice.
I don't know if me go, they're going to make a mistake or what, I don't know. I know want
You sure you're not piss off nobody along the journey, Father
no,
Blender?
well, I don't remember, because the man them say where road, no remember it, you know. So, but right now, I never really, I'm a humble youth. Me not really
There's a humble youth.
Yeah, man, me not go, if you not piss me off, me not
You're
go
not
piss
trouble
you off.
you.
No, because the last time I can remember, some people did see me one time and say, oh, you like how your management are going, you know, the management for me, and the management, and I talk about everything about management. So, you know, management do them anything.
Oh, and probably people are blacklist you before.
Yeah, you see me, I say, then they put me on blacklist, I already teach them. Me tell you something, man, me not self-praise. Them all PR, if a radio station people are what, if
You don't play, yeah?
And them things them I go through, you know. Teach them, it's rough, man. Yeah, man, me not tell you, man. Me left out my house, I wish I was now. Me left out my family there, my family mash up my place. If my place it up to date, man, to the time, man, the things that I make it there, so. That's my yard. I build it back. You know, I build back my yard. You know, and set my things over here, plant back my flowers, them and them everything there.
Fix up everything.
Yeah, so when you come and see me, I'm paint up back my lion, them and them thing there.
Anytime you're ready, man, just
Yeah,
to teach, man, I'm down here again, man.
Yeah, what do you mean, man? Yeah, man.
Do you live here actually, though?
Yeah, what? No, I'm mostly Florida, I'm there now.
Yeah, cause that's why I'm there wait for you so long.
Yeah. Yeah, what? No, not tell you teach them. Some things, well, not tell them, some things that me go through, teach them. Teach them. You can't tell them, so I go through something. When me just bust out and teach them and show them sit up on the stage and I run up on the stage and my 2 foot them nearly gone, you know.
What do you mean?
I don't know why to my foot, some big things just come from my foot, from my 2 foot them. Some big scale like alligator back and them thing there. A bagalo. You know, you remember bagalo?
Me hear the name before.
Yeah, bagalo, one herbal doctor. And him get me better, man, my foot, man.
Man, then give you a foot.
Man, that man, they want to me up to me. Right now, that, hey, teach them. You know, say with their lives, you know, but me no care.
No, we can fix things if we need to fix things. But.
Yo, me go up on a show in Brooklyn. Brooklyn is one of them places there. And I want me take the mic and go so go sing.
No voice.
No voice. Something fly, I don't know if we didn't put in the mic or what, but something fly down my throat like ear. Something fly down my throat like ear. And I sing. And the place I mash up and I sing and I feel it down my throat, but I have to sing hard. When I down the people and say, boy, Everton Blender, nice man, you always work good, man. I don't know what, but, Bridget, let me tell you something, man. This stage business, this music business is not normal. Right now you have someone who sprinkle things when you know it's your time to go up on the stage, them sprinkle some little thing. Wickedness there, no, Bridget. We not check off it, you know.
But
like,
it
check off
exists.
it, moving there. Yes. That's why I see right now, I want my own mic. Yeah, man, by the time I go up, I go buy
You
one
walk
mic.
with yourself.
Yeah, man, them say I can get a show for 2,000.
You don't need that expensive mic still,
No,
but
them say, you have good show. I'm gonna tell me say you have good show, mic with less than that. But I'm gonna tell me say him get one for when we used to go like Reggae on the River.
me send one where you have to buy, man. Don't worry about it.
Right,
Yeah, man, don't worry about it.
so-
You recommend it to
Yeah,
a man.
man. I beg you, please.
A simple match,
Yeah,
man.
man. I want my own mic.
Simple
Set
match.
up my own thing when I go up on stage.
Yeah.
The thing stay away, Sealer. The thing stay away, Papa. I'm tell you, say it wicked. You have all man, we bring all a set of people. Pay all a set of people.
To come
3
boo
bus
you.
load of people for come boo you. 3 bus load of people are
We don't have
really
that
for just come stand up by yourself. Them take all 3 bus load of people for come fling back upon you. It's wicked, man. It's wicked.
How long have you been living in Florida?
From 05.
From 05. So could it be though, Father Blender, that it's because you're not home often enough why you probably face, because Jamaicans always stay if we not see you.
That's why I'm have to leave. Them say out of mind, out of sight. You know what I say, but that's why I have to leave and go foreign, go do certain things. You know, and then now, when you come in forward now, we notice the people them still love we. Because even when I drive go studio a morning time, I'm pass the youth them out on the train line there, Spanish Town.
Heart of love said
Yeah, if 10 of them depend they sell cash, if I can't buy from 10 of them, I not stop. That is the love we have for them. That's them same one say, Father Blender, I see what you are doing, Father Blender. I think I see what you are showing. Yeah, man. $200. I buy from everyone. $300, sure.
So
Everyone.
would you say, Sir Everton, that being away from the heartbeat of the music so long though kind of hurt you musically?
Well, sometimes I say that. Sometimes I say that. Because sometimes, you're up a family, you kind of get a little bit lazy. You will work,
Yes.
But when you're that Jamaica, no, you don't.
Right.
Yeah.
A nerve center and music there when you're there,
the,
up and down.
Yeah, the vibes get. Yeah, we know when you're there far, you kind of laid back a little bit. But when you're there Jamaica, the vibes is kind of like a busy. Not kind of busy. Yeah, so I don't know if it's that, but because someone has said, Blender, if you come back to the place, come spend about 3 months with me, so I'm going to do that.
Yeah, man. Makes sense.
Yeah, man, I'm going to do that.
You have a song called Blow Your Nose.
Yeah.
You and President Brown?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, President Brown. You produce that song as well?
Yeah, man.
Interesting song.
Yeah, man.
Blow Your Nose and Not Your Mind.
My song, man.
Your song.
Yeah, man. Right now, I tell you, say, the first time when I go sing that song there, I sing it for Yabi You.
Yeah.
Or Yabi You say, in your son of my song.
Yeah?
Say, I pirate it. So I say, what is Yabi You? Yabi You know, say, I'm not the original singer for them, sing I tell. When the song start mash at the place now, man come to Yabi and say, Yabi. You hear about Yabi You, right?
Yeah, man.
Man say, Yabi, me hear say I talk about me sing a pirate man song, and you never know say a theme song. See the song gone there, and you say like a voice the song. The man say, boy, never know, you never start with the band. Them tell me, say, if you find out things for yourself, say, when you say them see me now, the amount of sorry, Yabi You tell me saying sorry.
That's how you go sometime, man. Blow your nose and not your mind.
Man.
Deep.
Yeah, man. Blow your nose and not your mind. I know that you are not blind. So please make up your mind, mankind. If a man do wrong and you do it too, Jah is gonna beat you for true. There's an unseen eye watching you. Why, blow your nose and not your mind. I know that you are not blind. So please make up your mind, mankind. Righteous man, Jah wanting the stand. Yet a righteous man is so hard to find. So I wonder, who is gonna stop this war and crime? There are some people can't do things on their own. Yes, they have to wait. Yeah, man, wicked tune.
Wicked tune.
I want you to say, anywhere I go and touch it, man. All over Trinidad, them people, them love Trinidad, Barbados and them places, the people, you see Trinidad now, the people, them know a good song. and them love vibes.
So is Trinidad your favorite place to perform?
Well, Trinidad, yeah, Trinidad
One of your favorite places?
Yeah, one of my favorite places. I like Barbados.
You like, okay.
I like Antigua.
You like the Caribbean islands
Yeah,
then?
man. I love Africa, like
You love
Gambia,
Africa?
and Gambia and
Kenya.
You know, I'm gonna go Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, and Malawi.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, African man.
I'm going to place in Africa. The place where I want to go now is Nigeria.
Nigeria?
Yeah,
okay.
I want that some different style.
This man from Nigeria go see interview and book him, man. Don't worry about it. That's what things set up.
Actually, the thing, them, man.
The COVID.
The COVID, yeah, the pandemic, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, them pandemic Rasta.
Yes. So, Trinidad is your favorite place. But where have you ever gone to work, though, Father Blender? When you walk on the stage, the biggest crowd you ever see from your inner music?
Well, I tell you the truth, Europe.
Europe. Which
Yeah.
part around there? All of Europe?
Yeah, I go Italy. Vast amount of.
Crazy.
I go Germany. Man, sick.
Is there any way you don't work yet? Oh, you say you want to go Nigeria still, but
Yeah.
apart from Nigeria, anyway you not go mash down yet where you want to grow and go chat?
Yeah, me never go Brazil.
No, you know, Brazil.
No, never go Brazil. I was supposed to go Brazil, but the promoter did want some like a small change, you know. I'm saying no, me never go Brazil yet, so can't get me down there for that. Yeah, so me never really bother me.
Yeah, we understand.
I've not a place like I've been to Argentina.
Yeah?
Yeah, and you have some other little place where reggae music getting big, like
Yes.
Australia and some other little place, you know, India. And never go to them place yet. I have an next place them can. Yeah. Go Hawaii.
Okay.
Hawaii is my place.
Are your place?
Yeah, man. Hawaii. I never flap a Hawaii yet.
Never flap Hawaii, yes.
I have a place named Ohio.
Ohio.
Yeah, they never flap this neither. One time I'm going to go to a Wednesday show, and then you know, the place ram the people and say, this week is what, a weekend?
Yeah, on Wednesday you do it.
Wednesday.
You see you never flap Hawaii. You ever go anywhere go flap? You feel like the crowd turn up on the show no promote. But nobody not turn up
No, like the crowd there and sometimes them feel for ball forward. I'm not busy with them. Just
work.
Yeah, man, just work until me just get in and mash at the place. Cause I can remember the first time I've been to Canada. I'm there and I sing, we not just come. And the crowd says, because the crowd is a very, let me tell you something about people. People watch the artists, them, because you have some artists, you know. You see them come past it and say, and then you hear the crowd go red, them done, you know.
Done. Test them
Then
artists.
done. From the go up on the stage and say, and hear the crowd say, yeah, them break down. Because they expect for that first hype there. When you go up on the stage, first time you go Canada world, I'm going to sing, we know just come, long time you there, them voice clean. Like whistle, see the crowd there. I'm going to sing Bob Marley, see the crowd there. I'm going to sing one of that songs, see the crowd there, just still long so. Just when you hear, I say, I'm going to mash up this place, I take my business with no shouting. And so when the family man come in and I say, I'm going to have my rod and I say, I am a family man working for my children. Blood fed. I say, man, woman all faint, man. Me ambulance a run and them things say a bad man or a man get cut up.
Yeah?
Watch out about man. Woman faint.
You Canada man, they did cool, you warm them up.
Woman faint, man. Whole of people run in an ambulance, people have to take in an ambulance, man. Woman like trouble.
Yeah. Before we go any further, blend them.
Step up, oh yeah, yeah. Oui. Step up, all right. Blend them, EVERTON blender. Blend them, under roots and culture. Blend them, EVERTON blender. Blend them, under roots and culture. Me used to sing a dance, me never get no money. I was spreading good words to every goodie. Now me I spread it universally. There's a lot more you're gonna hear from me. Blend them, EVERTON blender. Blend them, under roots and culture. Blend them, EVERTON blender. Blend them, under roots and culture. Some may try to criticize me, but I'm walking in the footsteps of the Almighty. You know hear what them a say. A old boobaroo him a mash up the place. Here a next crew a say. A long time he must sing, make him go and go real. Blending.
At this stage of the journey, Father Blender, what would you say is your single greatest musical achievement?
Well, I tell you the truth, you know. When I build a house, you know.
And build a house.
Yeah, man, I build a house. And when my youth them can come, they can come home at any time.
Yes.
See? And, you know, there are a lot of things out there, you know, where we own.
Right.
Like we have little necessities and things. Like a little part of property and some little things.
Give thanks, man.
You know, so, you know, we don't really worry ourselves. That's why we say from earlier out, we say eat small and live long.
Yes.
Yeah, because, you know, people watch you. And when them watch you, them see your achievements and them watch you and try to take you
Break
down.
you down.
Yeah, so that's why I say me deal with my things clean. Because sometimes, you know, we see what happened to other people out there, you know. If you give a man 50,000, I give a man 100,000, you give him 10. I want to take a stock, your car not stop broke down. So that 80,000 or 90,000 where you have, we rob from the man and give him 10. You have to end up spending
Money again.
and
you have
even
to
spend more.
Yes.
You see what I say? So which way if you just give the man him money, everything would be blessed.
Right.
But if you try if you
Go around the man.
yeah,
Try
that's
to
it.
change him.
Yeah, so I never go around anyone. I just give thanks for what me achieve in life. You know?
Is there anything musically where you not achieve yet, Sir Blender, where you still hope you achieve that something?
Well, I tell you the truth, you know. I don't like a studio.
Yes.
And I really have no studio yet. And I like to have an estate. Blend them estate.
Blend them estate.
Yeah, where you know.
Like a foundation
Yeah,
type where you give back.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That me have right now. Because people intend for us watch and think say now doing things. Even the year school, you know, we help with the stage. The
Nice
inside.
stage, very nice
Yeah, man.
stage.
See? And one thing with the principal and the headmaster, what have you, none of them have a good relationship.
Yes.
None of them tight. If I come to them and say, if a man come and not get the school, and me come to them, I get the school.
Right.
A man will say them partial, but I'm not partial. How me deal with them. You know?
Nice.
But I'm sure me to keep the stage shows on me every year.
Yes.
I tell them, teach them, keep fight.
Be a fight.
Because what? Them know say if them let me go,
Problem.
a problem because the people them love me and me love to give to the people. Give the youths them exercise, book, ice cream, me love youths and people them know too. The ladies them know say me love them too. Yeah, them
love the ladies,
them give me
brother.
compliment. Yeah man, them no get best baby father every year man.
Best baby father.
Best baby father every year man. Best family man every year man.
Yeah. He's a family man.
Yeah man, we
Working
love the
hard for
family
his
man. Them, you know,
children.
if me was a wild man would have all 70 I'd pick me man.
Yeah.
How would I say man? Yeah. But me love the Almighty. And me, you know, me nah do certain things with the Almighty no love because sometimes you go out there and you mingle with everyone. Sometimes you curse.
Yes.
Sometimes a girl
Some bad spirit, man, in your life, man. Crossing,
bring some
sir.
bad spirit in your life, some
True.
crosses.
A true, man.
So,
That's why I go
them
for
not
true,
tell
man.
them,
Some girl, you have to just see them and wish them
Yeah
well.
man, wish them luck man. Go out with them and go man. So now tell you teach them.
Yes.
You know, I've been there and wanna say done that.
Yeah.
But I've been there and done some of the
And
things.
done some of the
but
things,
not for the
yeah.
man, I say been there, done that. Never kill nobody yet. Never rob no man yet. So we can't talk about been there.
There,
and
done that. Yes.
I've been
yes.
there and done some of the things. You know, because me make sure say my youth them when them dep on the road. Remember me I tell you, people take care of them. Oh, that blender son that, a blender daughter that. And
How
them
many
well
youths?
protected. Well, right now me have 3 daughters and 1 son.
4 youths. And
Yeah.
everybody are big people, you know.
Everyone a big people. I know.
And them good.
And them good, man.
Yeah, man.
I want somebody want me look at daughter soon be a nurse right now.
Nice,
Pray to the
man.
Almighty.
Nice, man.
If
Give
you just
thanks.
Yeah, pray to the Almighty for no harm, no come to them way, you know, and thing, you know, just bless them up and make them, you know. Yeah, I make them go through life.
The blender married?
Yeah, man.
Yeah? How long you know?
Whole per year.
Whole per year. 30 odd years. Still a go on.
Yeah, man. I'm there.
Yeah,
Mama
man.
did the same.
Family man.
Yeah, man.
Working for my
Yeah,
children.
man. I love mama, man. I not lie. I don't say a next girl out there won't get peace in the blender. You know, you know what I say? But
Yeah.
mama, I not left mama.
Yeah.
So nothing go on, I not get no show mama dead there.
Did it for you.
Mama will go work. And when I talk about mama say, oh, sure, man not even know. She not even know. She said, sometimes she say me no love her, but she not even know me love her. Mama say, nobody worry yourself, you know. Me go walk. You know, I get no show. Nobody go work and nobody worry yourself and things. And so you know, I get no show, you worry yourself. No worry, all we go work.
Speaking about show though, and not now go on Father Blender. Normally when I interview, you know what I do, because you're a viewer of the thing. When I interview artists from your era, right? One of the common issues that come up is that, you know, we do the songs, we voice the songs, we record the songs, but when it come on to publishing and royalties, we not get them something. How you stay up on that side there?
Well, right now, I not start out.
Yeah, start it out.
Yeah, because what really happen, not for the producers them, why not tell you, not for the producers them when they voice the song. Them have them name on it too. So them voice the song.
So
are
them right?
Yeah, you see me I say, and then now them register the song as a studio or what have you, they register the song and have the song as for them own. So more time you don't get nothing. So what you have to do now, you have to take up the thing in your hand.
Do it, man.
Yeah, and
you put in the work, brother.
Yeah, you see me I say, so what me I go do here now, I go take back some of my old songs them and some new songs and put it up because I have a brethren, you know, put up, me done interview,
yes.
Something. And, you know, put it up and, you know, can get some food.
Father Blender, I know when you tell me say you go do it and you're not do it,
no, man, I go do
collect
it, man.
for your brother.
Yeah, man, I go do it, man, because right now, I say I will put money out there. Right
But collect your brother.
Yeah, man.
So you put in the work, brother.
Yeah, man. For real, man. But at how the system run.
No, you can't collect, man.
No,
trust me, you can't collect, man.
I go beat them, man. I go beat them.
Collect, brother.
Yeah, man. I go do that, man.
So you them and your grand youth then can benefit
yeah, man,
off your work,
lawyer
brother.
work on my thing, man. One lawyer will do things with some bigger.
Keep your eye on the lawyer to stay,
yes,
they're not easy, you know.
I know, man.
When I spoke about many of the songs, we never say a big songs. We say them songs they are classic songs. Songs that will live on for as long as people are around.
Sure.
And for all the songs that you have recorded, Father Blender, which song is a song where you appreciate or love the most, if any?
Well, right now, you know, you don't know what song we love, you know, but I'm not telling a lie. Say, lift up your head. Lift up your head, respect, lift up your head, and get up people song.
Get up people song, yeah.
And family man.
Family man.
Anytime.
The three favorite them
yeah,
there.
if me go up on the stage, if me don't get no fall from no song,
them
lift up your head, family man,
and get up people
song. And you blend them.
Blend them.
Yes. Because you have some people when they go up on the stage, then you sing, you know, they don't say blend them, you know. Them say Wednesday, Appleton blender. Wednesday, Appleton blender. Yeah, so that's a big fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, we not tell a lie, man. Like, we have a couple songs out there where people respect, you know, like Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Yeah, because that's that terrible song too. You know, more and deep back over upon another rhythm.
Rhythm. Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
Because the Bob Marley family love that song
Love
too.
it,
Them respect
yeah.
me for that. Sing a song about them father and thing.
The legend.
Yeah, man. Because when I was on the Jam Rock, they were going
Cruise.
Jam Rock cruise.
I not go on it yet, but we had thought the other day, so what of them there, you're going to need to go on
Jam
it.
Rock cruise, nice, man. Yeah.
Looking at the journey, Sir Blender, looking back, is there anything that you would do differently if you get the chance to relive the musical journey? Any regrets, anything where you think you don't want to do different?
I tell you, them say we're going by the morning can't come good evening, you know, so we can't even change nothing, you know. I tell you the truth. But the only thing when we do, try to do, is make the people them have more love.
Yeah.
We could I do that,
Right.
make the people them have more love and love each other, love one another, share. Like when me know back in the days when people used to watch people, and when me say watch people, teach them over the yard, and every evening by 3 o'clock we always here teach them how to chop up wood. We know you teach them how to chop up no wood this time. We say teach them where going over there. Teach them say boy, things walk up boy. Because some people
Poco.
you know say food that come over fence, yam, dashi, cocoa, railway, callaloo or whatever you come over.
Love.
Yeah, them things they not happen again. A man rather come out with them rice and peas and them beef and them chicken and fish and show up on you and the food fix. Now me say, yo, tear off the backstop and say, see some food there.
Ah, boy.
When me dey on the road, I go on the road. Me, man used to go eat and hide. hide and eat. Me no hide and eat, you know me do? But I say, yo, no chef no there. I say, yeah man, I'm just going to buy all 1 4 pound of flour.
Just run a boat.
I'm just run a boat, some hockey or what have you, and if a man sit down and I eat. Instead of you one come and I eat and people look upon you. Because man could all hungry, so I just cook pot.
Make sure it's every man eat.
Make
Any man when I eat, him now want to eat.
All right. So them kind of thing, them I show the people, them, that's why them fight me.
Yes.
I tell you the truth, and whatever time you do good, them fight you. Them just want to have the people, them like slave around now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you have song with President Brown. Who else you have done collaborations with?
Culture Knox.
Culture Knox.
And Louis Culture.
Louis.
Yeah, and what again? He passed away now. Wayne, Baby Wayne.
Baby with Scalawa, right.
But otherwise, you know, me not really...
You know all of a collabs?
No.
So is there anybody who's still in the music though who you never do a collab with, where you don't mind going to the studio to voice a song with?
Yeah man, Luciana.
Luciana.
Yeah.
Messenger.
Yeah, Luciana the Messenger. Cape Town.
Cape Shango.
Yeah.
Me I see you on Shango up.
Yeah.
Luciana. My hit song.
Yeah,
Get them done, man.
Yeah man, we will do it man.
Get them. I like how you're there, you know, if your energy right.
Yeah,
we know them things are energy most of the time, you know.
Yeah man, anytime I come again man, I want to come back in August.
Oh, okay.
Ja willing.
So we come back. Ja willing, man.
Yeah man.
Ja willing.
Sometimes, you know, you say you want to come in August and ended up.
And right.
I want to run all the video, I have a song when you man. Whole heap of video I want to run about 5 videos. I'm never, so me I do my thing.
Right.
And I get the fight, I never get to do it. Because I never last song name All These Girls.
Yeah?
Yeah, one song I say, come Sharon, bring me watermelon. Come a diner, you want die to Sabina. No miser, me no want no fertilizer. Come Margaret, you and I to the market. You and I gonna fix this lovely fruit basket. Love all these girls. Love all these girls, where come Cassandra, bring I the chalwa, and let her gauge it with pure river water. My chalice big like a tropic gas cylinder. Every time I smoke it, I man praise Jaja. Love all these girls, you know.
All these girls.
Yeah, so more do that video there and now some other thing when some other.
You want to do some things.
You know. Yeah. Cause I do want 2 videos me have Family Man and one name of video name. Song about not sing about a girl and the father. The father want me there with the girl. I'm not say, the man I say, rather live 10,000 miles rather than to be the grandfather of a Rasta child. Yeah, but it's not Rasta. But the man say, oh, you know what, the Rasta that's for my breed, not for my family. Yeah, man.
You might come nearer. The fight has been real.
Yeah, man.
Before your boss, after your boss.
After my boss, man. God. Let me tell you something, Teachdem. You might see it, you know, but this is me, I'm not self-care, but people don't know me. He's a very special youth, you know, and a very unique and technical youth. He's a one away. My material, Jano have the material here again. My material different. Yeah, Jano make the material here again.
Yeah.
The
different class.
Yeah, different. Let me not tell you, man, right now, when my youth I go out, man, all I dance and them things, I always over there, so. I know say I segregate myself, you know, but me just different. Because I don't want a man go pick a whole lady purse.
Yeah.
I'm dead there. I don't want a man go try disrespect a whole one. A whole lady. I'm dead there. I don't want to be another crew there. So I try my best for there by myself when I know say certain things me not do. You see what I say?
Yes.
So me try my best. Because anywhere you go, people can tell you, boy, you look a Rasta man, them humble, you know. You can remember one time when we used to burn the ganja hard and hear the white people them say, everything blender, his eyes is red. I scared him. Said, don't watch the eyes, man. You just reason with him, and you will find out what he has inside.
Yeah, you still smoke?
No, sir.
You give it up?
Yeah, man. We puff a little. Yeah, but like one time when me.
Yeah, right, Joe.
No.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I
love the weed.
Oh, you love the weed?
Yeah, I love the weed. I mean, you know, say I show you the weed for smoking, so they have.
Sniff.
Yeah, so I love the weed, but I don't smoke I go about 12 years now.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, man.
Good move that.
And me carry my notes them better.
Yeah.
And me deal with things more better.
Who Everton Blender favorite artist?
Well, I tell you the truth, you know. Me rate Lucy still.
You rate Lucy?
I rate me like how me rate him, but me rate Lucy.
Yeah.
And me rate Louis Culture.
culture general.
Yeah. and,
General.
You know, you have a couple of youth out there, you know, who me respect still.
Yes.
I'm not telling a lie, because them show me respect.
Love. Yeah. What's your favorite rhythm?
Well, my favorite rhythm is Kochi.
Kochi.
Yeah.
Mm.
Kochi, yeah.
So I go.
And why Kochi is my favorite music? You can sing
Yeah,
Wally Pasang Pan Kochi.
Wally Pasa.
Yeah.
So yeah, sir.
Yeah,
So
you
yeah,
can
sir.
sing Lift Up Your Head and Hold It Up. Look at the blending. Yeah,
Everything.
it have a vibe, man. Yeah.
It have a vibe. It have a vibe. And so, I mean, you have been doing music for a long time. I know you love it painting, right?
Yeah.
But if it wasn't music, is there anything other than painting when you think, and you used to make straw hat and them something, is there anything other than painting that you think you love enough where you then have to put food for your family table?
No, sir.
Either painting or music?
Yeah, painting or the straw.
The straw, okay.
Yeah.
Multi.
Yeah, because we make some nice stuff, you know.
Yeah.
But why I kind of ease off, like, I could have teach you how to make
do it.
Yeah, but them not going to give me the money, because right now, my kind of art, if me knit my straw at right now, $50,000 for your art. Man not going to buy a
Make yourself, white people ever buy it, right? They love what? I said, Everton Blender make me hat. Some of them buy it, right?
The last crown we make for a man at 3,500 and give me free.
Yeah.
3,500 back in the days.
Back in the days.
I know, so I will put money that. Because I make the hat like, you know, like the Robin Hood, they come
Yes.
up, the beaver,
Right.
they come up and the front come down. And the man see me every time and say, Booba, look that, you know.
Bobaro.
You say, yeah, man, sell me. And I say, no, Sam, no, sell it to him. Man say, me give you 3,500 for it. I say, you sure? Yeah, man, and me just give me to 3,500 and just make back on it. Wicked. But I say, boy, I want the wicked.
Nice.
I'll make something like I say.
Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man. Father Blender, boy, oh boy, oh boy. We never expect to hear some of the things that me hear, brother.
Yeah.
We never expect to hear, say, the struggle has been so real and so long.
Man, yeah, man.
We never expect to hear, say, the great man. I mean, I
Yeah,
say that
man.
with no apology.
Yeah,
Get so
man.
much fight in the business.
Yeah, man. I'm true, I say culture, you know. Probably if me that bling bling and
Yeah,
bling
that's
bling.
when you get the fight there, was there any time you feel like, say, you would change the thing for, you know what I mean, people give you some attention? Like,
Yeah.
you
Me not tell
felt
you
that way?
Yeah, man, because one time I do a song when I say, I'll show you something, because you want to get in the mix. One time I say, I have a song when I say, one time I say, jacket, any man can get it, jacket. Don't feel you're bigger than it, so watch it. Mind you hold a jacket, so watch it. Mind you hold a jacket. Right. You are a black man, you have a black woman. When the youth man is a full Indian, your hair is so short with no quality. When the youth man him have hair like Chinese jacket, any man can get it, jacket.
What are the wrong with that tune there, brother?
No, but because I should say,
Yeah.
to get in the car, I don't really mean that.
Right.
Like
Okay,
me,
I understand what you say.
Me I say, like me I say, why yo, hey, you know just a come, long time we, you see me, them kind of feel there. Back in the days when me there dance all of me, one time jumbo jet me, one time jumbo jet, he carry me pass in the dance, me no wrap up. In the dance, me no skin up. A man buy a piece of chicken and it picky chop. We could have sing them song there, but I don't mean that.
And you that.
I don't mean that.
So you decide to...
Fisherman should like, row, Mr. Fisherman, row. Row your boat ashore. Row, Mr. Fisherman, row. No hungry belly pick me, they adore. Row, Miss, you know, them kind of song them like to sing, you know, you know. You know what I say?
Yes.
Because enough of them youth nowadays, them can't sing for a good bands, you know.
A true man. Or trucks them can do,
Trucks,
man.
them can, you know, see
Some
that.
of them can perform for true.
And more time, some of them have what you call it? Some of them have the rhythm with them voice behind the stage.
And just a lip sing.
So I can't give you one time, I'm not call no name. You see one singer come in, go out with the on a show down, so the man watch it. And the man come in and after the man start singing, I don't know what go happen. The voice chip up, the mic chip up. Oh, right, sorry.
No, but we cut it, man. We cut it.
Hey, Jim. I the record I play with the voice.
Yeah.
The people them just
Boo.
and stay so. Look here when the man come with.
Nothing else.
Man, I must long so on the man. So you have to know say your vibes are dead and clean and pure.
And brother, I can tell you, say, of all the years that you have been with me, sit down right here, son, the voice still clean, pure, and powerful, brother.
Hold on. What do you make kind of worse, little man?
Yeah.
You hold on, no, man. I'm gonna make you the next time when we meet you, I'm gonna make you hear my voice.
So the voice still better than this, yeah?
How you chat about, man? Yeah, man. My voice no normal, man. Right now, I'm not still, man. Them say, boy, Blender, you look like you just start sing. Yeah, man. Because a little bit hoarse.
Beautiful voice, just to say, brother.
Man.
Beautiful voice. Father Blender, is, as my teller says, a joy, bro. Like, I really and truly did I look forward to this for a long time. Because for a long time, we are all out and things.
Yeah.
And I hope that it's not even hope. You have been, you know, fighting down the years, and I just want the man to know, say, good music can never die.
Never die.
They might not accept it today, but 10 years on the road, I get them and go back to. I'm glad they never give up.
Yeah.
I'm glad they never go back to painting.
No, sir.
And brother,
Yes.
as I say, good music can never die. I hope you get the studio.
Yeah, man.
I hope the foundation come on board.
Yeah.
And everything else where you pursue, I hope
Yeah, man. Thank you very much.
them come to fruition and
Yeah,
fulfillment,
man. Thank you so much, man. Because of the thing, man. Yeah, man. We have the arrangement, you know. It's just just to go at it. But things, I tell you, things have changed up.
Yes.
Me not lie to you. We get fight, but things have changed up. Since me come to Jamaica and my wife, father drop out, since me come to Jamaica, things change. Because sometimes some man just come and make me do some dub and things when we could have did sponsor back something. It never happened yet.
Some of your kids, couple of your kids are also in music.
Yes.
Aisha,
I have one named Jamila Blender.
Jamila Blender.
And you have Chisomo Blender. The one
Chisomo, I want to play the keyboard.
Yes. She will be a nurse.
She will be the nurse.
Yeah,
okay.
But she's talented.
So the youth them take some of it.
Yeah, man.
Give talk to her.
She used to ball to you.
Yeah?
Daddy, I am the only one that cannot sing. I say, yo, no worry yourself.
Yeah.
It's in you.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Keyboard, she
yeah,
take
man.
her.
She take on the keyboard and she play a guitar too. Because more time she play a song, we say, redemption song. All I ever had. I hear the keys, them not the guitar. I say, I'm proud of her, man.
See it for your face,
the girl better than me.
Yeah.
I have a guitar yard and we can't play yet. She take her things serious.
Yeah.
I'm going to practice it still.
You're right for anybody?
Not yet.
You're not yet? Okay.
But, you know.
For the people out there who want to get in touch with Sir Blender for dub plates, how do they go about doing that?
Well, right now, you know, the Jamaican number is 919-4221.
So that's 919-4221.
Yeah, and you have, in the state now, you have 954-297-1607 or 954-696-1128. Or if you want to go further than that, you don't know, Real Everton Blender, you know. Yeah,
Facebook,
Real Everton Blender, yeah.
and Instagram.
And Instagram and them place, you know. My email is like Blendem Inc.
Yes.
Blendem INC, @hotmail.com, you know. Yeah.
Father Blender.
Yeah.
This is a joy, brother. It's an honor.
Yes,
it's an honor. I know you've been a look forward, and I have been looking forward. I'm glad for knowing so we can sit down and all the reason.
Never before the time.
Yeah, man.
It's the right time.
Right time. Whenever you're there yard again, one of them time we'll come in, come have a drink and...
Well, man, everything's set up, man.
Yeah.
I'm a family, man.
Family,
man. Yeah, man.
I realize, man, I really appreciate that.
I respect that, man.
Really, because it's a land.
Yeah,
We
man.
get the phone calls to teach them me there. Start out yourself.
Yeah, man.
Give talks, brother.
Certain people me not dealing with, brother. No, man. A man come out of my yard, come look for me, just lay in my house, you know. And walk up and sleep there. Philip say, you know, say, somebody come out. Say, oh, you have a bad practice. When people come look for you, you just not feel them energy.
Yes.
I'm not stay amongst them, so that's why I say they don't like me.
We appreciate the love,
Yeah,
man.
man, that's what I
You
say,
know what I
man.
think of. Brother, for the fans them out there, Everton Blender fans them, what you have to left with them?
Well, right now, just love. Just have love for each other. And don't bad mind your sister or your brother. And if you see a sister going through and you not going through, don't envy them because your time soon come. Behind that dark cloud is that silver lining. And Jah no run the wire fence. The same thing Jah do for you, do it for the next individual. You see me I say, so don't think say Jah run the wire fence. Your time just don't come yet. So have love, and all the blessing. To the young, the old and the disabled, EVERTON BLENDER say, may Jah guide you and protect you when you're going out and you're coming in from this time and forevermore. Yeah man, teach them crew. Yeah man, bless you. Jah bless you know, in and out and around and about. That's the far. Blessed love. Yeah, man. Yes sir.
Heart of love, brother,
Yes,
brother.
man. A blessed love,
Give
man.
thanks,
Straight man.
Give thanks.
Teachdem is a family man working for his children. Teachdem is a family man working all those things right. Teachdem is a family man working for his children. Teachdem is a family man working all those things right. Yeah man, this is EVERTON BLENDER. And it's all about teach them. You don't know. Yeah man, them not tell a man. EVERTON BLENDER say up. Teach them. Teach them, blend them under roots and culture. 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 You hear that? Teach them and blend them under roots and culture. Yeah man, let me not tell a man. I teach them, yes I, blessed love. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that teach them win the prize. Let me not tell them on this EVERTON BLENDER, man, always reach out to teach them. Well, I think it's fine. Flying jumbo plane or itching a ride on the Teach Them train. Hi, this is EVERTON BLENDER. Yeah, man, I will go on the Teach Them train. Yeah, man, let me not tell them on all when it is rain. Yes, EVERTON BLENDER say up.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.